It's exactly 20 minutes after 7 a.m. live on your family favorite radio station, Ahinkai 93.3 FM. Yeda se oje bre na utie sports. Eye matching sports. And wame de bre mo no. Ye twaso e wo fie ha. Me pa cho kan na hye ne so fama me se dwumadi agusu a utie no ye matching. Ofre me Oba Ofori Amanvo, the Commander General. I don't pay again, 16th day of February 2022. Bringing you the Wednesday edition of your most authoritative, social, political, and of course, current affairs talk show. The biggest conversation in the East. No doubt about it. A very good morning going out to you, Abdul Malik Fusaini, Sports Puncher, or Bosumi FM. Shino Bobo Mashup, and also Ewa Takrade. I don't pay one also Swasujano Ewa Takrade. Angel. I don't pay both for what Takrade, no. Shino Bobo. Charlie, you program, what's it? Your program cannot send a message about a crack. How could you? I don't pay my main chair. DJ Fila, Ewo Anansi FM on a bomb drive. I don't pay ya so here, dear. I don't want to wear any DNA, so you can settle do. Say Anansi Fonson air show ye, dear. Me and Casame Bannerman, my name was Fabecasa. And you know what the man wanted to so. Adi. So switching to the brighter side of life, today happens to be your birthday, David Kwanzaa. A very good brother from another mother, Charlie. And your birthday, happy birthday to you. And of course, live to be 93.3 and beyond. Sara, Another good morning going out to you, Mr. Edu Pepra. Husband to the MCE, Brim Central Municipal Assembly. I don't pay me this up on yeah. I feel my main chair, Mianka Same boss, President of the Kwo Republic, the Honorable Brian Echampong. Honorable, you too much. Honorable Brian Echampong. Honorable Brian Echampong, to me, my sika ho chere no. To me, my sika ho chere no. Me dey ana me nan fofo ye sika fo no a omo ma sika nhye omo so. Da bi. Otumi ka chere sika no se me bra na minya wo. Ani ntimi do be ya de. Ewura de. Obi be se ewura mpon.
Ghana adisi obuoba ofore amanfo emama ache edeba ahikan 93.3 FM.
Me ton men sem ne me di before shine. Na where what on ye wunya den ni ngwase. Mutin ni ase na microphone sem ni pase ye tumi ko wie kro no afem. Wake kan sem a wo hu sem ho akem.
Ghana adisi obuoba ofore amanfo emama ache edeba ahikan 93.3 FM.
Bini fi asem na wo de wo ho ahyem na nso oben. We come on more mundi mu fi asem.
What to say? Want some what on your tadi say? About way now we have pass over.
Okay, I don't see any the one crat I'm about sorry the better made in so the amount some 25 minutes after 7 a.m. Me pacho ma yemfa brabo emu akwentu ni mu afutuo kakra no. Yemfa ma yen ho yen ho.
About way now we have pass over.
I don't see any pay. Nya yede na mo yede ba ye obra kwentu ye say control the music, messages and conversations around you. Control the music, messages and conversations around you. Hey brofo. Ye be ba yan kase kase mo. Ntinya botre.
Radio papa.
I don't see the account podcast say control the music, messages and conversations around you. I hear brofo near the bayan kase mu say abrabona ye bono. Senka a percentage emu 80%. In fact, emu 90%. Eye one kasankasa. Emu 90% of abrabo ye bono. Eye dependent on one kasa wutie me no. And inti I was saying niema bia e walk around you or surroundings. And niema e koso e wo ho. Enkoma wudi, enwuma wutie, aduane a wudi, atare a wo hye mpabo a wo hye. Ni nyina emu adwenkyere no. Wo ho ne wo. And inti no pay say control the music you listen. Enwuma a wutie wo wasum no, control it. Ya wanwum ni bi wo ho no mo a ekum ni pasunsum. Mamenka winchro. You see, music is a food to the soul. Enyom eye duane e de ma honhom no ati mu no. And inti se utie nyum bi the kind of music you feed yourself with. Say ye papa say nye papa no. And also so a greater part of your life. And to control the music you listen to, messages you read, and conversations you engage yourself with. Want it. And you ma utie. And you bang. Unse akwasampa for you bi wo ho. You only be one more utie a mama brabo kranko anim. You only be one more utie a ebu ade atomani debi ade atomani. Meti mewu minkwa mifie. Meti mewu minkwa mifie. Sa nyomo no a uti a wudi ema woni padua no. It's either you will kill yourself with the kind of music you listen to, or you will ignite your spirit, your soul and body with the kind of music you listen to. And it's an open me bisa say enyom ben na wutie. Messages ben ya na okenkan. Efa wasum. We have some messages I over my phone, so I have unread messages baby chapo, because you on microphone you need not to waste time on them to even a extent of reading messages from them. You know why? Because venom. na ade bi a ye venom no o produce ade a eye poisonous ntia no wo ho enwuma utie se wutie inspirational songs afi die be ye onyame nensa wa masu yi die afi die be ye the kind of enwuma wutie tie no etumi boa wo enu ntina sometimes utimi tie radio bi yebebo nwum bia na akenya wo honhom ekenya wo honhom da mu ni nyina sometimes nso utimi tie nwum bi na abre wusumsum ase a saa da no owre tumi hu da mu ni nyina wabisa wo ho die nti a yekwa yi ase a yewayi enwum wo ho wabisa wo ho se yekwa abedi nto enwum a yebo die nti a yebo saa enwum no wabisa ho die nti a se yekwa rally political rally ni yekeka ho a yebobo saa enwum no abrabo na obo no baby obeduru bia ne so nwom and nti se wutie me na ubehunu when to listen to inspirational songs, when to listen to worship songs, when to listen to praises songs, when to listen to high life, hip life. We've got a lot of genres. But so what they say with him say, you have that core mandate to control the kind of music you listen to. Even if a radio ne bona say sadano o kra ni nyom ne ho ampa cho chimfiri ho. Yes. Because so one control enwom a wutie. Na wo feed wo nipadua na weta enwom bia. One way abenya trouble. One control ho. Na messages bia ba, message bia ba wo phone so akre, message bia ba wo phone so akre, message bia ba wo phone so akre asembeto. Me see your messages ni bi wo ho no mo a ohu. Se wo ye adwuma live on air say ya yen kan because wo kan a message ni bi wo no mo a eye bump e bi kum sunsun to. That is why over radio so a you say memfa call because call ni bi wo no mo a wan hwe ya. Asem a obeti ni bi dum sunsun. Inti anopedia make catch say wo da chinti ahobrasie mu ala e na make catch say control the music you listen to, messages you read, and the kind of conversations you engage yourself with. Ya won komo ni bi wa emfa hwema. Ya won komo huhuo. Omo keka bia mbuguo no a petre na santam. Epa chawo enya nkomo ni nyina na wo se wo do ho ko wura mu eka bi. Anope ya me no ka se ko hwe obi fie, wo mo de politics ya boni MPP, NDC, MPP, emfa hwe mrewo. Menko ka bi for mu gya ho ko ye wadwuma eno na the end of the day no e de aduane ba ba siw table so. Enye ne omo de abom wo ho no. Nana ba ye mahama ba ye ho ba ye emfa hwe mrewo. Intano pay me so that into den. Control the kind of music you listen to because music is a food to the soul. You can give your soul a toxicated food. Aduane a aye toxic a udiko nipaduane mu be kum. So what you say? And only music, afa messages ya wo ready. Control it. And finally enkomo nyankomo bia na ede tum. Ye onkomo bi wo no ma ede ntokwa ba. Enkomo bi wo ho no ma ede abufuo ba. Enkomo bi wo ho no ma ede anigye ba. Hunu the kind of enkomo a wo be kwa bobi na emmoa wo da chinti. Anopa yi de ede nam no no.
Awo kura safo no konsemu degree me se akwa no.
Okay, I don't see young Konya Kofa, the Ubon Kratam, but one of fan to edge media in some fam 32 minutes after 7. Menoka say news editor. Efia Ampofu. What's not see if you are Puma dear?
Bakobo, now say.
Yamia Dumo. I don't pay me to say he won some.
Share,
Edio.
Hey,
what did you do? Yes, I know.
David.
So all my fans said, I not you. That don't know about as a fans no money, you know, with me. Oh, yeah.
I did.
I don't know.
Fans no.
I brought you.
I don't know.
Why don't know?
What my brody, you know.
Hey.
Say, Ana ya ka kire mo se mo mu di agora mo se ye boa.
O de nsam na ne je wo.
Mu di agora. Ni mu de ope o. Mu ni ope.
Oh I see.
Mu de ma no na fa so sa mu ndra o.
O de nsam na ne je.
Se ya kan gas ye di agora. Ade ba kwa ma pe no no. De boa. Ai simu ni ya mo ye. Dia mo kabla gas na me anu zara eje ha eje. Unya mu di agora.
Na ensamna no beba gba akwaji wani so. Maami bi kọbọ nsamna ne hunu amane. Wa so Pentecost kuru ya. Ye Pentecost fo hunu amane obo bansa.
Really agupo.
Pentecost asori dem o. Wa to nyom. Onyame bambofo. Onyame bambofo. Media ye be ma wo onyame bambofo. Oh, nyankropon tete kwafra mo atwe di ampon
eba
obon samana ne sa fe nsam na sa oso onyame wo ye opoku
asamuni
oya ya asapo
we ye o keka ne nsam na edan so bo ne na no wonye ne ntem no wonye mic no wo me ya de Eda G no se madam bra. Wa ni Pentecost discipline. Ya de beti taro ha. O se ma me adwuma ne de no an wa ye no. Wa ya de papa. Wa tuntrum nyame. But me pa che o. Onyankopon onye opoku. Opoku ye nam. Onyankopon onye opoku.
Tilapia ayazibu.
Opoku ne de.
Opoku ni ye nam. Opoku de ye nam. Opoku nyansamra ne ye pa che o. Say
ebia ni popoku
say o kan opoku ni because you say former chairman opoku nyina enti no
oh okay
enti no o bon sama ni so nyankopon yo opoku nyina o so ye den yo e so akokeka nsem anya amane no eni nti nsam na ne no a wa hyase a wo bo no wan hwe ya no akoka nsem anya ano pay so odi ba akode hwe ho na okoye burodi asen
na brodia na fe na wate
brodia no nja ara brodia dia himia
ye anim ye anim connection no
oh I see
ai
mama ya nkrofo bi amu akire ha am se enim ni enim
ai
enim ni yaka
yo eti nsamna ne de me obi sha ase so obi na makai ma me ne de no na me di kan tu ne fu se ogusu bo nsamna ni on fa kwan no so tin wa we ya one day obeka si nyankopon uyo odi ahenkan nyankopon yo odi ahenkan yo
evio se ya mom la ni nyina evio mo se mpamba mo de mra ya ne nya ya terms ni yeka no se ma se
yo
evio
mapanta grab
se ya huni ni nyina ayi na sha se ya sa yi allegation yi kokusi on sha se allegation na so wabesum
no so what trouble ho ana
on so what trouble on so one dia se
se wo bon samna ne no
ya kan wa samna no wasam
oh okay se also wo de samna ne eji nti wo de samna ne eji ya
se ye godoku mu nya de
meme de me nka se monsam na ni no but ena no asem ena me de makai na me kan kire wo se
enti mo so mo godoku mu no godoku mu yedu no o se mo mfa nye
ya ka ti odi an kan se ema yi won fa bi nkan ye ho afa ma ka kire bia ye se ye ko mo so ye ko
so ma hu se wo no Singing Band Association we are number 1 ala misi wombie si me wiwe mo na musi amra ne beboa ya mu na mabaka
wo ntia
bibi da bi yo ndia sai won be tua no ho ana ye se de mra ne be ye yo
ne be ji yate
mapanta
yo ene na ya so ya de let me see what I can
Let me see what I can do.
And
he's a good
day.
She knew what you know.
Let me see what I can do.
Oh, she knew what you know.
She knew what you know.
I don't know some sort, yeah. Oche papia. Oh, say connection. Okay, offer kwamba for abronya se menchia mo no pay. No, o sales ho no.
I know it's me die.
Oh, when raw die.
Eh, nipa ni.
About say ono de ono an de ne ho koye. Nti ono.
Se dey rehwe no.
Say omo man the time. Omo ka say bo no nan a. Ono an kasa ba bi owo biara. Womra. Enti omo ton krade ton from amu say kwamba fo abronye ba bia wo nan bia wo tunsu adware na wo ho bon e no se ne meba
akoya na yeso
e no akoye akoye de bi sa ne se wo se kan man pani John Dramani Mahama woni abrantie Oliver o ma bo mutirim se o ne Iraq fo e de ku e ba Ghana emu asem te sen e no so ntesa yes waje atum se no kure bi anim na police force okay se no kure bi anim a yen ha na yen kire mrase nti na no pay ye do be ko ba bi a ye kire mrase na ya ko kire mu di a kire wo who said the last time be can be say enye freedom of speech ni kire say ne ope bi aka na wo ye nsam kiro ni a ewiase nyansa nyina ni wutiri mu what you say e ya adom na agba adom so ena wanya akwanya
sure
ena nyame adom ode ama wo no wonso so wodi ehu nyansa ne nimde eye adwuma enti so onya akwanya betena radio so a yemfa sa akwanya na wanya no enwu nkrofo hu fi yemfa nkeka nsem a ensem fata but se obi ka bi na ne ya bisa se enra asem be ni siye so ati ase politicians ya na sha ase eni nkontompo no kura enim wei o ka se nye bobie ansan no mo che no a abro nyanke be che no
dabi
akia che no
wa fa no wadi
what I say omo chi bobie
so man che na ke be ka
so omo chi bobie ansan ne mu bi se dabi omo sha asem na se eye abro nyemo enti se ye nche wo mo de a na nu hu ni kwan se ye wo se ye chi wei mu so what I say aha enti eno so ho asem eno no ma bi nya bana fe mu monwura eye de bon kratere mu mfa
ni papers na no aye possible
na no aye possible so wo mu ho
single we
dia here
say no Valentine no single single for no so na ye pebi
mo peden bi
ayi bi ni pe yi
oba fi ade nka sama me mi di ko mo chire ha ba mo nka
never dey ayi
be say hashtag single for no
na mo peden
single partners no no mo pe yi bi
em say dey ba yi
e be sia ai
ana stars
o pe partner o pe partner
enya mia
sabe mo ha me single na da ba bia ye din sa
say ade no dia
o ya dai
me single
man from any nya din na dia so ade bo so anya wo go pia se maba
me ti anya me nkwa me ti ha
enya no ne ye ka
enya no
yensu ye ti bo mu ha
say obi atin microphone ho
single
we are single
adwen so nya single
adwen sa
ana pass mama mi na ya single
me so menya single
oh okay ani aboaji ti mai bi anya single
me be single
me so aboa kwa me santi ma picture bi na fa to mama
okay atena me
wa ebe hia nkora ndra mo ebe hia
o picture bi wa hu
picture bi a kwa me santi
wa be to so
fa to so
aha
ni ya
kwa me se ya do sa ade no
o da bi
odo ko sisi ya kwa me ya ade
ka ye du to so na bu san so ba awe
hwan ade
afi de mo kire ayi
na single na se obo ba o aware aka kawa na be she no da no betina aka mi so bi ka bi aka so obo ba ba kawa no kwa na she ni
no
me nware o
enche obe ware to onya single
mami ka se mo
de man ka bi o
mami ka se
mi na makan
mami ka se mo kire mo mami ka se mo kire
ye
hwe
ndajo di mi microphone wa mu ya no mabem
connection na ya titim
the microphone mu ya no mabem
asem ka me nka mo fa
members
mo fa da bon kra ta
ya titim connections ni mu nyina
da mimi o da bi mimi kra de mimi nsuru akiri but the misura chire ne say mo de waware no afei na me be ware tie o
afei se me afei
say wo the invitation ne koma mpanimfo ya ye pese ye gye wo mo no a wa wi arama dwen hu mienu
da bi won ware afei no obe ware so onya single
Hey, I
Adrian so
Hallelujah.
Na I don't know me enka. I don't want to fanko mo ibae.
Me can say. Me say Valentine. Hashtag.
Say what na kofa ya be.
I know me praise the Lord. Hallelujah.
Adrian single. Ya single.
Yankopon ya adom me da ebe yi. Ewo asori dan yi. Mete am friend say. Pentecost asori dan na mo ka brofo ho friend say.
Why assembly?
Ai baby adwen kwa asori no.
Why dey?
English assembly.
Why dey?
Wedding bi wo.
Wedding.
Ai.
Emenya we.
Sa won kwa asori.
Na se me ngwa.
Wedding bi wo ho.
Menya we.
Enti ya mu nkobi.
Sa.
Mpachon ai.
We dey na ya o mimi ni.
Aya mu nkobi.
Presiding elders one no ho no. Wo ware.
Edalam tenkari.
Mpacho wo ware. Sa won kwa asori.
Ono no wale.
Mpachon ai.
Announcement di meni yo.
Adwen say aya mu nkobi.
Enti ya obi a otie mi bia. A wonim o se fa na eda sen.
Edalamte.
Lamte.
Wa ware dada na so ware.
Ono kura no.
Ware. Afi no be ware.
Eda nyam na me yes announcement yo.
Obo. Hai. Mi ana maye.
Enti ya adwen mu nkobi.
PIWC. Asene assembly.
PIWC.
Ai.
Patrick wa muntie o. Sam ni.
Presiding elder.
Omabla invitation na.
O say.
Omabla invitation.
Dia hia. Nyami.
Dia wa dia okay.
Ne nka.
Ana me asole ba manya invitation.
Sa no na ekire say wiase ya bayi no. Sa ne Nyankopon beba no. Yesu ankasa kura wonim.
Yes.
Church member kura wonim ne yekoso wa sore. But me amisi ha minim ne yekoso ho.
Enti ya na adwen mu akobi.
Adwen mu nkobi.
Me Sunday me meeting.
Chaminsa omo.
Sunday me meeting.
Ampa.
Aya mu ko.
Mo bay.
Ampa ne o kan nyina chi o se Sunday obey meeting no kre. No kre obey.
Za baba yo. Ye di wetin ya.
Sunday obey meeting.
Be meeting we vie di mi nkobi.
Ampa.
Ano so de na ya ampa no. Me ni mi vie wura meeting.
Ana so obi anka se chirichiri mu.
Ye ga se chirichiri. Ampa.
Okay.
Ana meeting so waje atumi so be ye wo fie.
Yeah.
Me ni mi vie wura na be meeting.
Sa.
Obi anso ma se chirichiri.
Obi anka se openchiri mu.
Atiefo na ka jo so mbezo mu tie mu na mi tie.
Abrochirefo no se afia mpofo mo chia wa no pe.
O meji omo so.
Omo so obo betie ma ne nto.
Tobra.
Afia mpofo ase ye chia no.
Yo.
Na o chia ya che.
Po. Etiano ko ya che.
Hwe mu for the bon kasa na sana sema ba wu.
Onis galase. Abrejes galase. Enya bi free play.
Sikan ash.
Simo ni nyina for plan jet. Mo jalu o wiem sa na asa.
Mo for the bon kasa yemra wu. Papa san obi anya semo.
Wa ne na meka.
Yo.
Na meka.
Eni abusuan ento aso.
To aso.
Abrochefo yi e be chia mo. Ye be chia mo. Gani.
We wona ya abroche.
So ma me ba ko abrochire.
Onu na so me ba Ghana di me nyana.
O share ncharo okay. Be chia. Ghanaian Times. Double clat and the busuan de shase na. Oh, anapemeni ajepa. Na ya de shase ya nut.
Odiloto.
O say.
Odiloto.
O da bi sense as segment na mameni aje.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Ghanaian Times.
Odanta ba part 1 no. Odanta ba phase 1 mo odo.
Ebusia Ghanaian Times double crat na me de ashase na not for executives ya pa wo mo from and wo de atu dwa kire say wo mo tiri mo ponya nso mbebo ma Ghana Education Service afanto ma papa fra na teacher fo nso wanum kabom ko no so akọ nanim na aboa ma ehumesua mapa abaga na ha na yesi communities makom yensa ena wanum abom sam sia ediama IGP adan omosi langase na IGP maye no dampare maye no na langase fo echese womo edi womo yesa yi no
nya asala jafo ka ho
ene na ayikaso afo so ka ho
ka ho
chese langase fo no mato omo so asete chese we kọ na we ba wo kọtọ wasase a na kwabrane na betie ketiketi ne bu kenten wo gina so adie ya asase nya to mo nipa be 5 enti no langar be kodo gina so na ye pre entokwanko ha yesi IGP ba ye langas nsem akofom ti communities miensen wo mani age papa mo bo na baso na asia yesi vaco fund for so ye nyom so mfa so papa ye ka sei suku ma be ye dunso ya foforo kranka so mu no chian soko na wo mo nam sa foto ne so asisie kratai ede ho nsem aba na asin north na shebedwani so yesi amani beri na sike de to the tree so no eye 100,000 Ghana cedis ho nsem ede ha strike ya utag fu ayire kokko so mbekwa so munko yo omunko classrooms na sese no court ahye se utag fu munko kira de kratai ede aba na ho nsem so eda opemu adoso a ni wakwa akopet Ghanaian Times e obokrata no ene anapei na wahwehwed wahunu de etuemo
Ghana's favorite newspaper the obokrata a Daily Guide na Daily Guide enanopei ni nsema do de nam no ana di tu de kire mu se National Lotto Authority for NLA for one set me akasika botia eno aya Ghana cedis no 2 million I wonum edibala to nioma ede afri eye Owura Frank Ejay won ti Owura Frank Ejay anu akwakwa ye omusa adoye yi na owie ya no ana wode eye Asenof mrase betwani onmonyamfo Kwesan Jachefoni ede aba na wode ba ye no chemusa buga mrase betwani no ya beli no ya mani be 100k sika ye de 23 so eno no buga MP ai nsamtwerefo bede yam frefre mo
akubia mi hu krade yesi UK Canada MP ana ibeso te Ghana mo se Canada
se
boga
Africa Canada no se Africa Ghana ntino ni nyina si hwa
boga
na yesi aye Attorney General so ono so woni aye atoforcing omu case no da so ewo asedibia o edaso asendibia na ese Attorney General Saden Kata fro asa so akwakoda asendibia na enmu ensem so otwa ede aba Attorney General aso asesa o mani so aso wa weni tiro kokwa se ana asa na nanim tie
most mass
we atoforcing da wona mpa atoforcing kafra wo wie ya no ana wode aba se abronye bro aye mantamu no wono MPP amane okontutina ni na so aya hye wadi nsensem wa police for nsem enti awon nsem wadi aba o chese ne de ne bekokooto na aye utag for eno ya chechirefo enkabom ko onoma mo chade osuapa hoduo mu no ana ya ka kire onom se omonko classroom san kwa kire nkwana de mama nkwana ko jejina school mu saa se bosum eduro anambwa na omo na mega so mo se eduro bosum ya ombetu school mu
minim de enti omunya ntu mu de but emra ne de nka aso se wo se nka ye shut down schools no
na wo mo de omo yere
ma kan kire awofo no wo ho se wo baby ko university na o me fie akola no wo hwe usika frɛ no ka kye ne so wo mra fie na adwuma wo ye no meboa na munye
umbe nya musika na mo so ma
sika atua because oti we ebinim nsua hwe o
omo nsua se bi na isi sigi chani man o betre wa
ebinim ye serious but ebinim nsua hwe
so kakra bi 1%
what you say omo wo school ni mu kwa e no omo didi se aduane sa
bosome
na kwa de video bi a me hu ye teddy bed ebi a wo ko school akosia de no teddy bed na so wa chen o na no so bo na chi okwabana ne no di ko school
sa
etu e dia be pa na wo
kosia
eti mon kan kire wo mo so enei wa teacher fo mo school omo twi kira ka o so mo mbra fie o tete o so mo nyankwara
so se obo edia adin so ya ni se obo onim se wo ko nnei okwa wo kire sa ase bra no ko duru fie sika be no sa de ba
nko for mani abre me si sika no monje
sesi ano
ya jeska
opani Ransford Jampo o see ene gisi ya chi omu nyina egu
ni omu cheche omu ya fo omu so
o see ya nchu omu nyina ngumu pa so omu besan kwose ya kwa kire
ade na cheche fo ya omu sa
omu so nko omu nko
cheche fo de oh
teacher fo omu oba ma me say uko pe girl kra na aka say me teacher ni ahon pe ope ni ko pe sentoni kra
ko pe boy so ko pe boy ya
ko na ese oba de oba enti mema na ye bre
ensemtrofo
de mema no mi so mo ti do
ensemtrofo ni trauma sa
omo ni trouble omo di omo swag eje
sa
ya di yes fame ni je mema no chai
omo betimi edi adanse ye wo de wo kan ho be ye bra nursing
eno de mini heavy
sa me pa dance
fu de traboda ya de adele yam ye ho o de be traboda trako ka ko na bedru ho
me so mo betimi edi adanse
oh yeah
me ba o mu tie die me bo ni din ya sem
ampa so de no ho do
ya
se ono no wa ye adwuma wo radio ni kasi mpa FM despite media so I say despite media so de o ye adwuma wo ho no
fame ni wasoro
na say radio nyina university ni ho
sure
etinyame wadom na kokoduru ho no mo a na te say wo say what you say ye ba wo nche ba beji adanse die nchire mu
no kwase
anything mo kan ya me say ni obetimi adi adanse e be
ya na wo bobo less no edi number 1 number 2 no
2 ni ya
2 no e wo fie ha na say
fie ha
fie aya mo mi so opoku nso hwe
kame
Mother enko 40 asori o enko 40 asori na anu ayi say okọ night ba ye nchei ya ba ko okọ da no okọ night ba ye mi hunu no osempa bo abo na anadwumu ni nyina no wochen ayi Yesu de be tia mi eku no
edio
se ne wira ho ne ho apo
But some for the obu mema no. Dai.
Amaya dai.
Oh, what's it?
Was on for the bit more.
Be say some for mbotom ni bi kra no a. Emi chia asumasi or the ade.
Sa keke. Wait, mama chia big girl.
Any of them.
Big girl dey here no.
It ma chia keke no so.
This one him ne ho wa friend person. Tell me ko eneme body why. Tie.
Any anopa yi big girl. Me chia wa anopa yi.
Abigail oni no.
So no ni pa ko se me chia no.
Abigail.
Efia ho ano chia Abigail.
Me hu no. Ba me money din. Me hu ni pa, me hu onia.
Oh, wa mo nipa kunde na o mama ko nipa boni ni.
Ene boni din preko
eh deputy programs manager.
Kofi Ajiri.
Patron AJ. Ono na ya ochi Abigail.
Yeah.
Efia obi anchi Abigail biem apart from AJ.
Yeah.
Me nim say bia of a billy ichi e bidia. Me nche da. Ana me nim say adwempa chi Abigail da wa chi Abigail.
Oh, David. Me kra de.
Eti fia na ochi Abigail ba ko pe. AJ.
Yeah.
Eti ono what say obi achi Abigail a. Na say ya maade. Nti dem you can say ya maade.
Oh, okay.
I see.
Nti mpacho Abigail bia we bi AJ say no pe ochi a why.
And now the small one.
Mpacho ai.
Oh, yeah.
Said on the small. Where you there?
That guy dem go.
Na teacher for so asem ya da so da. Some for Jedodo. Na cheche for so njibi. E ma kama na some for wa dia boss ko ba. Nice lady no wa je no. Ode.
Say na wani bre in central for memen.
Na ha kra de hu hwe kwankran ya. La ila
Asofo ne doso wa ha.
Wo say?
Asofo ne doso.
Aha ya.
Asofo so mo ya asofo mo wigum wo ho.
Ye wo bi ye wo ne sa wo ho. eno so wo ho
and omo ye innocent.
Yes.
When any want to say we dear.
There be.
Mem fa dokunu ya ayire yin hye ne da.
There be.
Na so be kono na dokunu bon nsa.
Yeah.
Omo na how. Baby.
Hey. I ain't got news people there
I'm just for mo watcher mo.
Oh, muna mumi ayen.
Ye be mi amo. Me the Daily Graphic network so na some
Again ya do.
You tag first. I drop before they don't go there.
Yeah.
Onu tre man we number na show sir. Uni say wo beje. Wo so do afre me.
Oh, now we know.
I'm tight on back seat pa. Ti obu wa sha da atro number no ti the front wa. By force on the bema. Especially trot for no.
If I want to long
journey for the
Adama we Matthew. Ya na for no one. Ya na
Adama for the timidity.
Ya na for no.
Ya na for obi timidity obi no ti via tu beti na for taxi no.
Mo se me pa mi misa stagger.
Ai.
Stagger.
Me pa mi misa no. Ina teacher for so e.
Na ba ki.
Teacher for.
Teacher for na make us teacher for no.
Om den get wade.
Asam no waka no.
Hwe mo fa da bota tade ma yen yu. Ansa no wan asem ho.
Asam no waka to wade ho de mo mpeka. Sai jom omboto bu no. Ya odebi omo cost strike. Omboto bu sha da ti enget wada na. Ongo fa kese no aboka.
Ya omo a omo kire primary no. Me o kan ketu ada no me di mani abu primary for.
O dan ketu ada kwa.
For me, call Kate for me for.
Ene nsuwe o mesasa.
Ene ya omo kire senior high, JHS. Eno so ho.
Senior high crowd ya kan.
Ena senior high so.
So senior high anya nketu ade.
Oh, okay.
Senior na nketu ade. SHS ya na nketu ade no pa. Ene o mutimu de.
SS di odi agura sembe.
Hey, SS.
Odi agura. Odi ya mu misa se Michael.
Ye di cheni ba ko no otra de wa yi. Ya santoa. Na o so okose ya. Na man be transia. Wontimi o kira de wontimi twena ni hwe na chi o. Okota otabo na nim sa.
Na so me ma wo problem. Na ya bi o.
Ozo de na ni hwe school for na. Awura di Nyankopon. Do be sa be tra hono mo no. Avia wontimi o.
Sa.
Shie.
Mu de ehu.
O de tra ho.
Tre.
We wani anyi.
Enti area daily guide no yam fa.
We be 3,000 free online courses. And some da ha. Mr. Degeta.
Mr.
Na some yensu ade nyina ho.
Say friend Mr. Lancha.
Na ya no launch.
Lanchi.
Right. Na ancha no wan so ya say Bank of Ghana for abotum for say to aba so pa. Esa no say Ghana empuntu sam yesika 7 to ya papa no oh odimu akoten papa Daily Graphic anapay.
Na ayi ba ko bi o say amanfo o mo se san rede no.
Bleaching among people so no. O say a hard drain papa.
Mo amoya tuntuma mo se mbese mo ye kokko no. Munyai. Nyanye. Mengo.
Nko.
Yo. Serving the Republic. Republic Press the Obokra Tanimu nsem. Na wose ye de awarifo mienu bi akwato afiase. Esan se wonu bom mutiri mu po so wo pese omudi wo mo ankasa baba awu. Enti apolice force aso mumu. Ene ye de o makoto afiase. Na apiati yesi wo no mo no. Yesi na msu bi ama mema ni bi no mo kira se omo kompa so ntimi nya yi omutimi nya yi awoso na awoso ma komba ma te omo kompa
omo ntimi wo so
omo ya mere wo mpem omo ya mere o se awoso ne ba sa no awoso ama isi omo de ne ntimi nya so ntimi nya so
apia ma ya no
ntimi nya
du ba ko se nse ba sa ne a cheomumu ya bo tent ama wo e ma ne wo baby omoda e na me ma ne wo baby omoda na ma me ba ko se be 3 weeks ni asem ne ba ye etumi ba na nko ohwehwe ni kunu enso baby ani kunu
no mo sha brabase
oh baby ani kunu de we de ko ho
na mo ko da mo area
omo ade sere de so mo sere mpanimfo de omo ya mom bi omo yema omo ntem
no mo ti ene say yin so hunya na ya de asisi he
mema so ma fi omo yire no
obi achew
we by force you by force virgin yo
na ndi asmo aka
hwan ya
o say say ade ehu hia na omo titi he
hwan mo asisi he say
obi aye
ehu hia ma etimi sra ba sa ba ye sra pe ba bi ma ye ni en ko ka bo
edi unya bi ebeye
na say ni kunu ni kunu
na say na ni kunu say ade na no mo ko
sa
nje nya ebeye
nya ebe ware
na ayi chama abronya nifonyi da ha we dem go kwa mo ye de nifonyi ba ko na bo ba ko na ode ne sita ditu ni nyina ba ye no was na zi atom won no me say da ko fa we ba ye and was ye manne manu ko yi meka abronya
so ono so wonsuro
onsuro
o si we kuranya the first time
liar
mahama one na akwa
sa
ti we de
yo dan pale pre so na no obi be kwa fa hu adi ontena we first na no mo ko na ye ne na so what is you kasa biom Kennedy na yampia no to biom
oyare mo fa no ti si afutu onkwa
o gaze o we dan pare aba edi we so dia ne da ha abronya mfonyi eda ha na ene nso se ade ne be court enam eye ne nsem bi okokan na no so eda ha na you tag for no mo kira se hwe mo court for da be munim da mo kika ye ngwan ye ngwa trade mo da mo munim ye ni brabre no se mu ntwe kapa dia mo de mo pa monko soro kwa kanche Nyankopon ne Nyankopon no abegire mu kanche se yankwa kira de nya de se be ko ezi Nyankopon ba na de mo kanche se mo de ba mai no e ka ho ode ba buga mna se bedwani nso so yese nei ono so court abeli no court abeli no eno ayamra se bedwani a ojam de ma de shomo eye Asen North abato mpesia eso eho ensem egu Republic President Boka ten pebito na kenka tumu enchene
we na boga o ana anya
boga mum okay we don se boga so buga ana boga ana Canada MP
Canada MP
mra ni doso
papa we hu amani o ye
we kwadu anu no ho
we me cry ka me
e bi keke ya obedi atwa se service se ato aba afini alai
nkofu ekra enche no omodi omo ayi 2024 be balance ya me the Daily Statement the worker no and it was Works and Housing Minister and I can say o inspected Tamale housing projects e won sam da ha enche no mabronya DC asemi akopie court yi na no ahohore picture yom de ba ye dia na no na ahohore pa timi say asem no afanase akotom enche ha no mwanso highway ne si ye ba be ye highway ne be ni duwa ohun e be ye two bo se bobbo ho na ja cars ni dia kwani abasa ti enche enkran to Kumasi roads ni nyina ye be ne double 50 April ekono kratai ade honsam aba ya wo chire mu na MP ya oro so ne ho aka adwa mi ne ase ma ne beri 100,000 Ghana cedis ya de atunitiri so honsam ede ha no kratai ede aba
ya to ade obo kratai no muboso no eso ede amamo na the custodian the obo kratai the custodian was fearless fair and reliable na wade aba no chemu se aya honorable Tampuli Hassan Tampuli wapa aye basum ekuo bi ho entoma mo so ba behwe aboa no se de be ya ahwe mo so na ehwe aye kwantusam eso betimi afa na entoma pa afira entiwura Hassan Tampuli aye deputy transport minister eno apa bedwafo no entoma twa mu nyina mfo nyini enso e de aba kama awo de oboka tayi emu na sanso na honorable Abu Jinapo ono enso de atodwa ekire mu se wonum ade normal egu akwan so pa se de be ya eye apiati wonum nso no ometimi atoto nneoma ama nneoma akona nim eye wo yosoafo a ono ana hwe eye ensase ene efom agudie tutoye eso na ofanie owura Samuel aya kwaku anyidowo ni mfonyi adaha ana wode atudwa owie no de ankane Ghana man panyini awanya ne ba bi kɔ aya owura Atamos mfonyi so dia piso opanyini ne kyerɛ mu sɛ wogidie pa se owura Atamos nkofo bi ya asemu ana di ni dam enti ana ɔtɔna no mo nsie do enti enhwem yenhwe ni wuo ni mu no ɔdene ho a wɔnte ase ne papa wu ye ne ana afi ne ba hwe ni wuo mu ana kwaku ana ade nsem akoda police for so omo hwe na omo enhwe mu enkaya no ye dika de ama dada the custodian da obokata ni mu nsem eno no
the inquisitor da obokata no ena me de to aso yesu kopie mu o masloka ensem ukoso papa surobi ene nioma bi boboba alagege maame a oda no abibata nimfoni da ha ene atrasemi aka ho na yesi owura bi ede kwabena insenchiri
deputy chairman
oze
insenchiri ko Ashanti region on ye omo
first vice chairman
coordinator
osanso first vice chairman my MPP
yes kwabena insenchiri
papa insenchiri na bodwe enya sanketwa na bodwe se efita ana yesi watwa ntro bi ensem bi a efa doctor prempe ho no napo sweet napo no yesi watwa ntro bi afa no ho ya krata ede ho nsam aba na owura sosu MP Madina MP papa ya da no ya tata no ya nyane ni mfoni da ha ene yesi watoto bi ama Ghana Bar Association pa ena yesi boss for so wonum eguso ya wonum ye nioma bia afa wonum enjumayefo ho kratai ede ho nsama ba the inquisitor anapay
na kafra we we say hide nothing fear nothing the new publisher the obokata mu ensem enie wode atodwa kire mu say Ghana ani Guyana wonum ehwe so metoto nioma pa ama Ghana anasa eye frango nkita wudie no ebetimi enso akọ eye nanim ntina na dan kwa kufa mfonyi aba ana afi Guyana so mpanyufo ni bi so mfonyi eka ho ebia wode asem epi eye eso na owura eye abronya nso yese nra oda eye afiase wo oda hwa nene ade achi no we ade achi ni omoboaboa no na afi omasiesie no ho kama ne adina kwa kopie mu e wa asendi bia e ho asem enso ode aba na yase owura Hobson Adoye ana onso no buafu ase adenti no mama eye owura abronya be no ma ne da eye afiase wonum no ochiri se oda ho ono da we chiri ono da wonum de ija sebu asen for swifo ono mo vivini mantamu wono mo so ana bo mo nsam de ama aban no ase chocolate day no omo boy pa ma chese ekoso mu di papa ama no eye akono odike eni odike so na ode ne se chechera na na dangwa kufa do so no so wo na na wo
odike o kana sem plem hey everybody ni pedi
aso na na wo de wo te guya zo awo ye no ode kwaso aneye wate ana want to be man na dangwa kufa na no pay the new publisher the obokata mu ensem adeshimama eno no
enti ahonsam wo bebre no na omode aba na Ghana hase wo gender activist foi wo modoso eni oba ho ase ni aba ni ehwira gina ni e ka kwan ni e kwan esese adwo asafo asem no se adwo asafo yesi watu kwan na kwantu onum no sese ni mra hye bedwafo akunya ne da ho na hye bedwa akunya ne da ho na gender ministry nso da ho nyina adampan enti kwafo bi keka sa adwuma no ntimi nya wo nyai no amfa ne dibra ne nto na obi obetimi atena adwuma no ho aye wonye se kan se bag be ne tutu kwan MPP fo ni bi se wontimi nya adwuma na wonja ne amfa nipa ne ho de mbra enti sa adwo asafo nso ntimi nya adwuma no onjai no obi foforo nso embra na yesi gender activist fo bi asode se da bi munya adwo asafo obekom kra na oye maame wo ho obi oye maame de bia na ne ba bi jare na se bibi Tinmun to me, am fa pressure and tonne society. Janda for any mummy and Jana addressafo. Onya na sumdwe. I want some at the hase. I'm saying some yabrobro swa, the dead nyina. Yabrobro so.
I must say any fancy.
Ya dia sikura ne sa. Ala bi obi.
Okay.
Ye nyina abobro nyina.
Okay, any na ma mena mwasibe bre.
Ma oh.
Obechia.
Okwa blood.
Pacho you. Akwan da ho.
And then when you take it.
O say, someone force one me take it. Na me use to take it no.
O fa private so about betua din kwaye no.
Oh, ayi mi chia abu ha say.
Oh. Our brother you take it go ja nya de ye.
Mi chia ayi madam opam me no mama me. Owo abu adotei Madam Lydia oye good papa. Mi chia no pa. Afa ma me ko UK. Mi chia Emmanuel Amankona. Onu tie o monitor 24/7. Eti ene anapa mi chia de mu ezen.
E chiri din.
Yeah.
E chiri din.
Afa de ticket no.
Me kuma to me yam. Enemeda pa.
Yeah, we nyina ma hunu. Enu etia. So ye hunu nyina.
Enemeda pa.
Ale ye hunu nyina allegation ba nko ba bia. E betonsuom.
Enemeda pa. Okay, so 40 minutes after 8 a.m. live on your family favorite radio station Ahinkai 93.3 FM. And right, and I made it two and him said, now we have a date. You need the NPP constituency secretary. Ebetwitwe enkomo. And some of the doors will be brinoa. Minumi nyina so enim say ene 16th. By 19th na omo set womo internal elections no. Asenti yebedi nkomo edi afa wo mo hyehyɛ yahodo no aho the secretary for the constituency me no ka say waba abeka nsa wa hanom a enche ye ne no edi enkomo twehwe no edi be hyehyɛ so ani ntia na wate ase edi ama me 15 minutes after 8 a.m. eye de obon krata moboso na ekogu se ya no wadwen kyerɛ ne nsɛmbisa bia nso a obepɛ obebisa constituency secretary no 0594841044 0594841044 ode ba na yebisa na kama edi amount. All right, inti yebedi kan edi nkomo ba komuni bi nso wa ha ansa ne ne nkomo twetwe no yedi ahyehye so ma yemfa seda enkomo aboafo a wo mo aso yemu ewo sika afam no me pa cha onyankopon ya adom a on the 5th of next month, March, 5th of March, yadi enwanyen ade kire ne etoso emienu no, ede hyehyɛ so ewa achim aboabo ani nti wutie mi amepakyɛw na waba be fa wo forms ni bi na aboa yen kama pa. Enti forms no se ne mu nyina mu nim no, eye 50 Ghana cedis. Obefa no register and hyehyɛ no wedi so kama ebre ne so ane atimi a kyerɛw se de obenye nwan ya no afre 0244 878763. Mayenko na yeni Ura Palgrave Boache Dankwa wono eye government spokesperson on governance and security. Yera woti yenka Ahinkan FM suni anope yamu ache mpo makode
Beni abeba pacha we dase be tia woni we tie fonya nyame ado mpo ye
ye de radio ase anope de ye ba wonan so ye pese ye ge mo enkyerechire mu kakra emfinhia numnie a yede Ghana sika 7 ne ntoto ye omamu ni nyina de hye mo nsa se monhwe ntoto ne yoma mfa mma yen se obi efiri baabi ni wonte Ghana ha no oba no oba bibisa ye wura yi se opani wona wokasa de ma ban Ghana sika sem se ne matoto no eya anu ye ne sen
amini abeba me dase so bi ba no bisa yen asama meka ne se Ghana sika sem no eye esan se jumadia Ghana for the share on my penny na that ko for da come as sa se onye wabomodi ediso number 1 ye ba ye no ye shebo Ghana boss ye bemomodi nia ye free senior high school eno ye de fiase consistently since 2017 baby see bray ya bomodi sustaining one of our biggest flagship programs at the entire continent of Africa the being seen. Number 2 ye ba ye you who say financial sector na hope assembly modi ye kumbu ye na papa na Minister of Finance a friend of Dr. Komnado for the man penny John Dramani Mahama president Okono financial irregularities are there war on minimum and I save depositors any investors of security financial cleanup if I say you didn't say yes financial cleanup na you didn't know who you MIA it is a financial cleanup and also cabinet move making sure say consolidate depositors investors of Musika and hold drama. Three. Now you say economy now, you who say as a cash light economy, but you create cash light economy. Nipa crab almost grass as can see. You be a friend of mobile money interoperability. And mobile money interoperability in the Toronum, say MTN, Airtel, Tigo, Glow, and Vodafone. Ombetumi or Mohon Komo Kasemi Niamano, Ombetumi Akoso. And I created digital platform, open up market space, test Ombetumi Ato Niema online, Gane online, never be our baby online. Near Shay, who said from 2016, Nanka Omo digital platform Kakrano, Omunya revenue, Sika about the transactions on the digital platform, Sika 36 million. Ghana City. Na expanded platform no GPS to honum. You say to me your revenue of close to about 500 billion. This year is estimated to get close to about 900 billion. Sika mo de say and sa economy no. You buy you say as I say about modern na ye crassy omo yare ombetumi nyamboja ni edro no. Mampenia Beditie, our Haji Dr. Mahmoud Bamia, to find Echo Silicon Valley, US, on a Silicon Foco Dinko, on a home no share, go for me from Zipline, our Momia drone and delivery services. Now, on this continent of Africa, no Ghana, and a second place, Zipline air after Rwanda. Now, Zipline so also by and you say, Omuchumi, the drone, crassy, watching compound, Omunye drone in Mojani, Niema. Even United States of America, as we Joe Biden Barcelona was starting a useful supply for 80 years. You buy and also you say, send a beya or mino, a big go overly dependent on their importation, of things, Yem commodity industrialization into Omanpenin and another dark Kupado at the industrialization agenda added to Honor. Industrialization agenda of the two Honor, so by one district, one factory. So by one community, one warehouse. On never be broadcast or the who say so far you're setting up one district, one factory under the Ministry of Trade, You say you're setting up close to about 200 plus industries. They are still operational, it be a textile, it be a fruit. Never be breaded to 200, you say, and also guapa. And yet also you buy, you say mining sector, never be bro, by Encosu into a Omanpenin and another Kufuado. At the to me, at the Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, Honorable Abuja Napo. And okay, Bomode, that's first and you're to me reforming mining sector. Any especially reclamation, near meaning, says reclamation a cost in the various mining communities. You didn't say, you shall say, mining stakeholder engagement, you be conference center, Koso, mining sectors be brave. SIM making sure say you be eradicating galamsey to the various minimum say you be more than ya boa galamsey yes. So say be ya yomo yena enfa in brand question ombe boa ama fan brand question ama see minerals commission e di fidie bi abagana polity issue no be minimizing mercury net the consume policy ya no ama you see how the drone effa all the mining sectors are who say Pra River, Nitsube River, Niemanoa, now I polluted over the years. To see, I started a year clean reclamation. Be brave. I want to hear many consultants we could do come Mami who saw more year reclamation. Be brave. Those are infone community for no when you be brave. Yet also, when you have a health system, no covered by you say health system, no globally. Effective baby or maintaining under that Kufuado. Edit to Honum say Obebo modern now ye agenda 111. And we 111 hospitals, district hospitals so pesosi. Mini abema ABC da e wo krom hanom are in less than 6 years. O mampeni bedin in sabetu na koma so beka se o pese Ghana that ye or be making sure so be look into health infrastructure. And no the cat sword and a few health infrastructure. The brainer any community for now your community engagement. And now what you know Minister of Health Eba Bene Ghana for Kasaye Eba move baby your health infrastructure no Eba could do any a lot of health infrastructure even beyond that 111 just compound the bra need no the better one many of them are near also na your education many of them are also educational sector maybe I say me buy they be a phone be any one man be use to yaka say you made in Canada they be a phones you use to Asia they see America they see America they see Europe but Asia pa no your phones be brave so it is a no or man pen that could say or Ghana you have more now yet to be strengthened your science your technology your engineering and your mathematics it was setting up STEM academy now me a STEM academy no say you be able to collapsing your swimming at the age of 1 year and 2 years now abuti be a Columbia be who be also me Ghana there obi already for 50 40 credit one more swimming pool so now you see a train colano send your own big baby abilities and skills in science in technology in engineering and mathematics from the very grassroots into so oh yeah kindergarten me to say obana no last year no obeso of STEM academy o de be call it's send your best starting nyema in collaborate so obeso ye aeronautic engineer obeso ye pilot BBC release obeso ya obeso say if you no onko yanka see mainstream schools EB and conco say no one sana afedie we are sababa co-pilot school in nyema there be certificate na start simulation so simulation na need audio yako
okay
if the ocean educational sector so many of them a lot of innovation about hono and free TVET yet the about hono you see free TVET and vocational institutions but more they now so kona kosia o sanu ejuma obetu media ye bebre many of them about agricultural sector many of them planting for food and jobs and get easy cra
okay
omo a crazy the benefit of it
yera dankwa wote yanka ebre ni nti wahu ma yemo nsam ni bi tofa kakra yes de wabobbo so nyina kire say clearly picture wa painted ya kire ye no e kire say aban yi wabɔ ne ho emode but if that is the case here why the rating agencies so mu nyina wo mo indications ne results of the Babonting is not speaking good about our economy and equine amamu gusu ekoso ye de no si nchen a Ghana mebawo Ghana fo no ankasa so ote se de bia ebi mo ka so omani mo ayeden enti se de mo kikan sa na ti ampa why the complaints
me never mama me starting see Moody any S&P for ratings of the buy onim I have sat in meetings. Me and Kasamatra meetings, maybe an amount for buying. Indicators of the ratings. So, me never get be pray more. Now, Mamika Sembicho, Sub-Saharan Africa. Would be any S&P ratings. Some of them are African. No? It is not commensurate to ratings. Some of them are European countries, any American countries, any economies. No? Me never, as I say, a bombarding. Edu baby a brofu ratings. Some of them are almost downgrading. You know. We need to rise up and catch almost say, one can someone say, downgrading meetings. It is life in their ideology. That's the truth. The
but the okay, you know.
Me trust here. Any moody for finance, Minister of Finance, any finance company for finance, the documents, how we are recovering the economy as a result of COVID. Say development economic indicators in the would be very, very helpful in ensuring say Ghana build it back better. Or by Tampa program you cutting down on government expenditure 20%. They are aware documents in the midst of that, almost sign coin, almost downgrade it. Let me tell you something. The Moody for almost downgrade economy. Do you know what it means? It means it's almost catch investors say there are risks. As you are going into the country, don't go and invest into the country. Many of them, as I said, Ghana for, we rise up and tell the investors, say, good default rate is not the buy, it's not commensurate to what is happening on the ground, and that's the truth. What you say? We should not generally go and accept to say good default S&P rate is not the buy, it's representative of that. What about me fear? Many of them, many can say, what about me fear? What about me fear? Na me match on you maybe. And I will work on one can say, Niamana match and to assume my would dance credit me. Meanwhile, Miss Subin saying, Yama made it to is the best for my economy. In TSA, that's a Ghana, my Yenya, the hook of Pata, Woody, any SMP, say, oh, my degradation, yo, to boy, Debbie. It's not like that.
We are talking about a situation when this same institution and all the ratings are by a see and to Muno. Maybe I came when Chay, already be by I know not a far more opponent. Moji to Musa di omo kan ye kama. But I didn't know breso de e te sa na mo sa video ratings in ya papa.
Me nya be ma opa my own company here. Ratings on the buy during John Dramani Mahama time, President of the Republic at the time. Me nya be ma everybody knows, Me Google crana me who say yes doom so. Me nya be ma energy no who. It is the moral fabric of development of every country. If you like look at the Nigeria economy, Nigeria economy, energy is one of their major difficulties almost to be tackled all around Nigeria. Nigeria, that's what to say. Every single part of Nigeria, Obia cranny generator, little generator, they call. Look at the plans within which the NDC government took this country as it relates to energy. Just look at it. Look at how much it costs. A cost industry. A cost organizations, a cost educational sector. Look at how much it costs them. From Obi-Wan to mission the generator from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Look at it on fuel and look at the pollution it even costs. Now, what say from 2017, one kasa you can attest because you have a radio station and you own one. You can attest. You can attest to it very well.
Clearly, no.
You can attest to it very well. Say if you compare the two economies, NDC for the economy, even with this economy, you can attest say S&P and Moody rate is not the What's a true reflection?
And as at the time, as at the time, they need believe or more integrity, ne or more credentials, and they can't only believe that time on about
we have always believed the integrity of Moody, and we still believe in the integrity of Moody. Now, any Moody, you see, we are recovering the economy, and they have accepted. If you look at some of their paragraphs, the first report on the buy, the buy said the first report that they brought was wrong. Second report on the buy, obviously, indeed, they can confirm that Ghana is on the rise of rebuilding their economy. The indicators to say, if indeed we go according to what we are saying now, it is not a risk for investors to come and invest. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, I have to Anna.
No, what they are saying is that indicators now they are to say a year you start initiative, levy, cutting down on 20% of government expenditure. I never they clearly understand and indicate there. Indeed. Uber may invest in Ghana, it will go well for you, provided we in accordance to the things we want to do.
Okay.
Yeka economy, comparing Moody's ratings of NDC government and FDD government. You were in this country, you buy clean financial sector. You know very well, you know very well how are not or minimum. Financial irregularities. Financial irregularities in the you cannot say Moody was not being integral. See, we are not saying Moody is not an integral institution globally. Not at all. Moody. We are working on making sure that investors will have confidence in the economy. No, they looked at those kratano. Okay. To move. Almost say once are those kratano, who and so up and there. Okay. And that's the conversation we have.
Okay, so I think a point well made on that. Afeyemra, the part of the Ghana for a company said there be on my more and that Dokono Ananka Yatono 1 CD. A few I be mutoni 2 cities, a bit mutoni 3 cities. Enti yade near all kind to the real state of Niakoso Ghana noa. na say enhye da nye pepepe saa
Minya bema si e ka so on my name ayeden a minya bema ewiase afa na nya ayeden e see e this perspective no to no minya bema covid de bia ye kasa na se ye kasa covid impact global economies a obi dina baby obeka say as a covid yare no ye de aye excuse ama bibia but minya bema dani wechi now they figure na call another country now be who send it here onim the fact is say Ghana yet to be managing the economy here with the good leadership of President Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo. And until COVID, I had to say I shock absorber and go for COVID, I impact the economy. It is as a result of the good leadership of President Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo. From Hanum and a COVID hit and a President Akufo-Addo who say 1 whole year, government schools, teachers, free. I want to 1 whole year.
But maybe as at the time, no, as at the time, ni nyina so na ye jejeje tuo, ni ye jeje tuo, ana ye ja tuo jeje.
Minya be mama min trechemu. Nipa nye juma na wo je tuo, minya be me tuo ahina benya. E tuo na odi abaso no, minya be ma Ghana, a population of 30.8 million people. And nipa 18 million, a working class. Minya be ma 8% of that 18 million, which is about 2.4 billion people. And no much taxes. And so there, if you want to say now you charge taxes, do you think that taxes now you channel and only to me anyway? It is the efficient and prudent use of the economy. And then my to me those freebies. That is the truth. So never do one of my trade remove. So yen trade remove ye magana for here. Say papa no ba. Na say otumi chia office, otumi ma wo jani dia. One say yeah, who self a problem no more day. It's as all the who control be able to be a papa sale. And so papa who say say a problem no more than papa. We never global economies were shut down as a result of COVID. That's the truth. Global economy.
Okay.
But globally, there are 2 countries almost say they have been able to manage the COVID situation very well. Ghana and South Korea. Go and check the record. It's there. 2 countries. Now, managing the COVID situation very well also means that you have managed your economy very well. You can count the number of people as a result of COVID. Government for home body, apply for home body to make sure that you're protecting COVID. So because of my name, if you have a name, one of the easiest staple food that we have. It's kenke, also kenke 10 years ago, 1 city. Not 10 years afterwards, we never also took kenke 1 city. That's a software success of minus is economy. I mean, clearly, they are some maybe taken. It's a massive economy. We never make kenke, no, Obia or different types of kenke. Kenke, will be 1 city, 50%. Will be 2 cities. Mimi, who say kenke, you told kenke 3 cities that. Kenke, I mean, last week, Mekoto or Gamasi. It's only 2 cities. If you say, yeah, argument, they say, Kenke, why are there? Now, I say, yeah, I say, yeah, as a chrono, I
see. Okay.
Because of planting for food and jobs, you know, bumper habit. You know that, Ghana for a common day. The issue are your mining more or maintaining another Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Then start seeing the post of person resolving. One of them is unemployment. And nothing that 1 million entrepreneurs or person the almost start here with you start said you should own your own business. And no, and no, you pay a year Juma 2%, I will contribute to taxes, and the rest of the unemployed young people, it depends on. And no, but you are sama krum na yedi. Then you don't know.
Okay. That's
unemployment now you pay a tax no. And no tina minya bema you pay you widening tax bracket no. Na minya bema in widening the tax bracket no. They all creating elected digital platform. Now from 2016 digital platform no Sika Basunya about 76 million. Now we expanded digital platform now in less than 6 years. Who to me receive close to about 900 billion Ghana cedis, almost $1 trillion. Now, person Daniel, we need now can say, you can say a day a talk a crato on. I have a electronic levy 1.75%. Send your bay a quine, open a quine will crew mobina, open school will crew mobina, open hospital will crew mobina. Send a bay able to me doing out to 200 man. Remember, me did say a economic liberation.
Okay.
Any economic independence.
Yate.
Remember, Western world, no mamika, idea Tasukra. Western world, no. Yomon Pekra, and say Africa. Yebenya Yankasa, economic independence. On the say they be near Costradia. They be near Costradia. Now, so say, or Mampenin and Ado Danko Kufuado, and mine so, see Ghana beyond aid. There's a Ghana, Yenfa Yantuma Panfra. We have our resources in this country. Mineral resources, we have it in this country. Yam bomodin, na yen nesika, na yen developing your crowway, na brofono ba, Oman Bekase, Yembra IMF, and I Yembra World Bank, Yembedisika.
Okay, your point one made me a fancy a baby, a best baby, man, pay that say.
Many of them are me dance.
Inti yene Palgrave, Boache Dankwa no, Ekasa de ma bino. Efa amemu ene bambo ensem so simano aduasa enkro na abapa no pa no nwotwe ho Blooms Bookshop and Trading Enterprises semen kan chero say exercise books and say test books na opedia wo mo hob no pe ene wo so do wani akiri mu sanse wo ba yen ho no mu a ye wo books ni nyina ebi ne awode ko suapon mu anasa wode ko primary ni ne kekeka ho no ni nyina won sabe tumi aka bi ye wo test books nso so wo yen ho exercise books wo ho story books ni nyina mpacho yawo achim odan supermarket ne ne GCB bank na edi enhwani mu frame was 0244 2936 32 0244 2936 32 and afi 0203 08 30031 0203 083031 and number be for Blooms Bookshop and Trading Enterprise. Now you to more books in the web bookshop or pay books at the gumu or buy and why beton come for 4 pa at the amount K Ascenso Limited and say Brana catching on my uncle papa swinging wheel office chairs quality wooden chairs authentic book shelves nina K Ascenso Limited na make come for the amount me pacho and found said you mudru esi eti obenya so any would ye circular dabraka of Iran Clinic Kaneshi Flamingo Road in so ye was Zango Junction frame was 0302 257209 0302 919 739 home of quality office chairs and bookshelves. I kind sounds to say ye wedding engagement program be akwakoya obi hia machine said yakwakodi ehun dwuma no de ye kanfo ahinkan sounds and the amount 0543 3509 340543 350934 and afi fixed herba seven kanchira wano pay se ope malaria dru kese de besa malaria na se obi on mo so yeduma kakra bia na wa breti pa ye ne honam tutu no bibi ya ye no eye fixed mala mixture and I come for the amount fixed mala mixture ne beboa am wetimi adidi wanu mu bete hwan amaduane ne wadi ama wo ho asepel and a fixed man capsules on the mema edrupa a umfa eni agro enti ye come for no so e the amount opebi ato a ne duduo mu no omo achim dan ne importem mo beko both chemicals our main lorry station ho no mo ba bi eton kokko no abrosana se ho 0205 885000 0205 885000 eno number obefre na yetumi agye so uko achimo dan ne importem nso de ne ochini ba drugstore amoafo pharmacy wo green pharmacy chimesi drugstore na Kennedy drugstore ubenya fix enroni bi ewo ho enomo ne duduo mu pa no braya kachi ewon kran 0208 4444 42 0208 4444 42 and 0302 9020 71 Adenta Katamanso ho and I will be huni yen ewo and afi VK Vocational Training Institute sano pay men kan cho say ope ensan dwuma na wasua na dache eso abamfaso de ama de a VK Vocational Training Institute na make for e de ama ya chi kwanya gira kwan me pacho ye wo achim abowabo David Tilapia kwan so ho a wo be hunu yen courses ayeye ye kire fashion and design kwanya be fa so abepam ma ne mema nioma wedding gown fascinator and a bridal fan ni nyina yade se ye be kire obi wo VK Vocational Training Institute. Yɛkyerɛ declaration so ɛno nti sɛ woba a yɛbɛkyerɛkyerɛ no nyinaa ɛyɛ covert registered training school, 85% practical training. Yɛwɔ conducive environment ya. Competent and qualified teachers and yashada I employ womo ɛkyerɛ mo adeɛ ɛwɔ yakache hɔ no mo. And nti ya no afrɛ 0241 99 5775 0241 99 5775 frɛsisi a na yɛmmɔ nkɔmmɔ 43 minutes after 8. Sɛ di kaka kyerɛ mo sɛ anɔpa yi yɛne constituency secretary de ma NPP ɛwɔ nkɔmmɔtwetwe ɛwɔ fie ha no mo no wabɛka nsa a yɛne no ɛde nkɔmmɔtwetwe de bɛhyehyɛ so sɛkɛ apomɔkɔ deɛ
Yamya dom minia oboba.
ɛnɛ deɛ woba in your capacity as constituency secretary. Enti yɛbɛdi politics nkɔmmɔ ho kakra. Enti ɛnɛ ɛne chai hwan ne nka dem na yɛni mo party mu nkɔmmɔ kakra. Megye di sɛ bibia ɛhyɛ yie deɛ.
Yamya dom bibia bɔkɔ minia oboba.
Ɔmo ten kan no ɔmo frɛfrɛ no munya botre. Okay, enti yɛne constituency secretary de ma NPP ɛwɔ Achim Odan Abatfo Empesua so owura Benjamin Baden. Ɔno na anɔpɛ yɛne ne ba bɛbɔ nkɔmmɔ. Yɛn nyinaa anim sɛ ɛnkyɛ NPP amanyɔkuo no ɔmo bɛhyɛ wɔn internal elections no ase. Obi wɔ ɔmo na wɔtie ne kɔndɔ sɛ ɔbɛkɔ akɔpere bie. Nanso ɔnhyɛ da ɛnim ho asɛm. Ɛno nti ne na anɔpɛ yɛne yɛwura yi ba bɛtwetwe nkɔmmɔ na wakyerɛkyerɛ mu de akyerɛ yɛn. Mo a mo nso so mu di za asɛm mo bɛkɔ for positions no. Mo ahuru sɛ ne nhyehyɛeɛ no esi ɛteɛ. Yɛwura megye di sɛ mo party ne mu bibia de yie deɛ chairman ho yɛ kokosi the last person or NPP mu or constituency.
Oboba, in fact, constituency no bia ho ye from the constituency chairman. Ekwa akopim ye polling station executives ye ne omo esom party no the past 4 years. Ye canvases volunteer groupings 2020 omo be so party no ase. Boy say omubeye jumaden e de ama His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ene yen member of parliament Honorable Alexander Akwesi-Akwa omunyina ho ye party mpenifo a omotai kire e de efutuo adwenkyere omudi omusika ebeboae omunyina no omo ho ye na saa akwenya kese ya ode ama mi gina saa akwenya nso abọ omunyina abaso. And I'm say omo anko saa ekoden no omo amfo omo ho anhye party dwumedie mu omo de omo sika omo de omo ho odin omo de omo nimudie se ni na no omo amfa amba ambeboa ka menye sure say ka party no nkunimudie na ye hwehwe in the year 2020 na kensa kan nti bigina saa kwenya so ebo party fo nyina abaso na minim se omo nyina so eho eye pa.
Okay. Enti minim say momo current crop of leaders na mo ho ne de mo time aso ana afi na ebeso.
Party nhihye no yeto aba edema wa over 4-year mandate. Yeto aba edema the polling station executives, the electoral area coordinators, the current constituency executives. Yeto aba edema year 2018 January. January 26th, Eko and the Frasier eto polling station elections near to also with the coordinators. And in March, yato aba March 24th, yato aba Edema constituency executives. And TCC ameno kase de. And I just say the current crop of constituency executives, starting from the polling station Abapem constituency no, no. Ye jumedie ba ewieye. Nti wo social party nhihye mu a from the 19th of this month. Meminde be na wotwe pepepe na party mpinifo etu edesi honom se yemfrase
meminde be yi enye na wotwe na
meminde ebe meminde ebe
19th
meminde ebe 19th na party mpinifo etu ndeze se mekra ka video bi kra ka
wotwe sa
meminde be 19th na party mpinifo etu edesi ho se yemfrase yemfensie ye ho ma polling station elections enu nti na de kan me bo polling station executives abaso enyo mu nyina no mo yire omo ho eye ejuma but ebi mu ejuma eso ani ye bebo omo abaso se esompa omo ede esompa ati no aso ani na omo amembra nkitahude e wo ho na nhihye e wo ho no me de ebeto edwa
sa me gidi ye se u follow the ekoso me no ka se ya abro nya ya che no hu wo ye MPP ni emo hu
me ya we you see endra na me ni minuan mu bi edi nkomo me se nanado amembu nko na yehu saa eniema we you see nkofo efrase kasa if say there is that culture of silence I mean yeah threaten rule of law yeah man nkofo kwan na almost freedom of speech and in asefo say yan hwe ni ye na se yan strengthen institutions omo eboa ama amembu a yebu no etimi afa ne ntuma pefra na bibia na the politics bata ho a wan hwe ye a oman no the way a yesi chichire ne ne be mpempen so a yepese ekokoduru no wan hwe ana ye nya ne sa we actress aban no enye selective say if a whole regional chairman of the ruling party an institution like the Ghana police ejidi say wafom na se de no efa embra kwan so a we kire say ye ntimi ngira baby enka say ye ka nkofo ekasaboa e de asho omo yim ana say ye tietia nkofo fa ahodi so aban na makwan say institutions no omo nya adwuma embrubi atwem begidi say it will not be acceptable say a whole regional chairman of a party, a ruling party, you be inviting it to the police. Now at the end of the day, you detaining no throughout the night. Inti mesre, mummy ema kwa na aban no enye juma. So wutie kasa fix the country. Omo convene ye eko kan ye man nkofo free ase ka se ye kan nkofo kasa boa de asho mu yem ye tietie nkofo efa ahudie so a. Uhu se eye kasa ebetimi ama oman Ghana abo. Ghana ye nyina ya gye atomu se kebi mamin kebi amembuo na ye de ebebu oman. Enti se odwen process bibi enko ya embre wo honom a wo betimi akoto aba e de ama nsa kire e de aba but se wo mom no insight nkofo pray se ye bema ku aba o like in Ghana to Guinea any Mali any de keka ho a na o ya oman bofo. Enti we say na se police for to inside the fro na ye se bra na be kirekire mu ade kronti aga na yagye atomu se ye kebi mamin kebi amembu ene ede be ejuma na wo mom no all pray se a soldier for kra matu so a na se ye 11 to ma wan kasa no obeye ku a na je se wo san twen oman no akwekire mom ya makwan na institutions no enye ejuma na institutions ni yankasa na ede tumi asho omunsa sa wo hwe the police for eye emprempren ya ohun se omuni benkum anazo omuni nifa na ya mede say his excellency the president why empower especially in security forces you know so omu be making sure say peace and stability ebeba oman mu na oman no etimi afa ne ntuma pa efra
but ebimo ka said the same cannot be said to a Bobi and San de hwe kwan ye fa so ekokoche no ani abronye so no ankasa ne share da koye nti sa same procedure no nanka yintimi mfa omo aka ne mfa so
abronye he was invited so we share your friend is fix the country omo convener na the statement no make here no I mean obi body rose friends cool ba be see oman mu a cool nya de a ye edi agro
me kra de me ka ayi of friend say Bobi Ansa
mo
Oliver de Oliver de no kra de no so yes e wo ho but mate say ebinim so raise another concern their fa procedure no ho
na me kra wo say abronye no police for ne tonsa e de friend obi obeka kra so no ankasa e na ball tene e koye police for etonsa e de e friend no yentimi fa process no anase procedure no embeye politics police for kwan omofa so a omudi omunjuma ena ye de asem so betodwa omo hwe the magnitude of issue no ena omuhu se sa asem we si ye pentem ekokoso ano se de be ya ensoja they have been trained oh, as I mean intelligence personnel and as investigative personnel are only know how to come in at any point in time to make sure say a nearma ebobo no enko escalate na enko fa problem embre o mine no intimesre media for mumye nyina yembo mu chidom ne enhye institutions state institutions ne enhye omodin no muntimi enye ejuma say state institutions ni nya ahoden a na oman Ghana ebefa ne ntuma pa ebefra.
Okay, inti ya ne constituency secretary de ma NPP wa chimo dan ba to mpeso ya so owura Benjamin Baden na twetwe enkomo wo fie ha na mo mepa cha obetumi de wadwen kire de aba 0594841044 0594841044 ensem bi abepesi bibisa opani no nso se odi ba ye bibisa na kama edi ama afi yantinsim na yeni nkomo kakra ade ba ko ababe ye bone of contention a obi e ka bi eye e-levy achimodan for yente mo so mo take on that ya tese mo MP okay ka bi abati mo MPP yente ye mujira bi nkuma na mujira nifa kafra
de meka ediafa e-levy ehun ne se mesre Ghana for ene achimodan constituency for se yenya ne ekoto santen ede amembu no ehye His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ensa as part of say yedi to me no ehye ne nsa no ye ma ne ho kwan se omboa non-fa policies programs a ebetimi aboa ama oman Ghana afa ne ntuma pa efra yenim se oman bia no without taxes oman no entimi entumpon impempenso a yedrin so wo hwe the way a covid esine oman Ghana etentam ye a ema yen productivity etimi ekofom na still na His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa ejumafo a omo government sector wantimi anka se ye ti o marketu ya so ba still no otimi ejina brane ehwe se ye betu ya Ghana for ka me ya anti marketu ya so nurses ne doctors o motwehye nyina ne anti obi aketu ya so na se enho akwa hia se etwa se yetimi enya taxes kakra ne yetimi ede so oman no ase a migidi se ese Ghana for yetimi etie wa so pemu na yeboa oman no mepa cho ma menka asem kakra covid ba ye Nana Addo on cancel free SHS ye bi se enho se yen productivity akofom ye sika sema akofom kwan ba ne ye fa so a ye finance free SHS hwe yen hwe 11 agenda 111 hospitals a His Excellency why na adwen so oba besi se sika ni na ne kwa akofa we
se wo ho so akwankra ubetu kwan wo se wo so akwankra nsa
media patrol ti the American Ghana see ye share yen budget annual budget na about 60% of your annual budget is being financed or sponsored by foreign donors. I mean grants, any loans are you from outside and they support FNS your budget. Ye pushes Ghana you be self-reliant. In prempra me no ka say Ghana for last year FNS LGBT whatever. Ye na you sorry tie I say enya dia you be atum. Medical what I say 60% of our budget is being financed by foreign donors. Still, no Ghana for more percent you call back to these foreign donors or more no enticing with friends and gayism and lesbianism. President in the percent Ghana ye self-reliant. Or percent yankasi yetimi enye sika yentimi enko amanone anasi yenko sankrunko iso enko jisika enfri omunche. Se oba ewo secondary school a seka wutu ya ni fees at least went to yakra no betu about 1,000 Ghana cedis. Yenhwe nkola almost secondary schools. School feeding programs ekoso. All these programs are buying no puti the little resources are you want into it. Ya pese Ghana ye expanded your tax component. There are a lot of people in the informal sector omuntia taxes. Inti se o de ye fa ne se Ghana ni bia no free akomapem o contribute 1.5% of more than 100 Ghana cedis o send through Momo to the support or the finance of free SHS friends agenda 111 school feeding programs are air koswa me did say ye nye boni mesre sa wo hwe ye nuanom NDC fo a me hu say omu pushi aban na say ye be call back to IMF, and that is what we should kick against it. See ye share IMF conditionalities are ebe attach it to IMF. IMF the moment omo be ma wo sika no omo ankasa no omo kire we kwan a ese ofa so eniem bi ani kwan sa wo ye eniem bi ese wo ye ye hwe NDC amembo mu a ye call IMF. There was freeze on public sector recruitment from MPP taking over from 2011 2010 now 2017 are you taking over no. Now teachers were not being recruited into the public sector. Nurses were not being recruited. They now abide it me ya and say or your replacement. It is a me and as a medical retirement now ya the bobie aba be shema because of say it was part of the IMF conditionalities. Say your boy who musio na say ya support aban no with this e-levy ya all pray say beba amaga na yetimi self reliant. Na yetie the NDC eka na si ejituma at the end of the day no the government will not have any resource and I say until he will definitely go back to IMF. Na eno no be lead to say you be cancel the free SHS I enjoy mumi share the amount of money parents awofo ne ejano mumi share amount of money na nka ebe ko ubetua as school fees as scanning na no eba oboto say ye call IMF as part of the conditionalities if a free SHS will be cancelled. Mumien kind of crunch Ghana for at the frontier NDC omucha teacher training any nurses training allowances muno was because of the IMF conditionalities. It's mestre MPP by ye train ye who free IMF muno all these policies were restored. Ye to sre Ghana for. Ye to sre Ghana for. Some mumianji e-levy no entum. Na beboa ama mpuntu a ye hwehwe no aba oman mu ya kwan a ye ka ho asem se asai enye no e-levy no ebetimi aboa ama saa akwan nyina no etimi akoso eye efense hospitals a ye hwehwe good health care ejuma ye hwehwe ade ba akokọ ye me endigese momuni se ye hwehwe recently odanjwa ehye GA4 by mum ye hwehwe amount of money a omode ebe support odan as part of e-levy for example enhyehyɛ omo ede tudwa no omo be pushi quantum of money into GA omo de ebe ma edwadifo a startup omo de be so mase omo ankasa de be free omo dwumedie ase enam eno so meje de se yenuan mo pie omo ni edwuma ye no omo benya insano edwuma ebi mo betimi afa nkofo be mienu miensa ede aba bebo se sike ya aban di ba GA meje de se edwadifo omo ho aha omo e-levy no quantum of it will be pushed into GA. It's mesre momi engine tum okay na yambua no mine mfa into my pen
okay inti yebeko breeder ya yebesan ba beto de ya sha ase no so but before yebeko no ye koba maybe sebisa questions bi ankrofo bi di aba and then we will look at some varied opinions ankrofo I expressing it so far. As far as e-levy see abeja tum see yintum eye concern and before chire di ntia yintum but ebi mu so e de adwenkyere de aba ye koba me de saa wo mo adwenkyere de be ma wona ye biaje wadwenkyere nso so e de afa ho me pa to tiwe ma ye ba ye to aso enkomo ayegusu a ye twetwe ne ne constituency secretary de ma NPP e wo Brim Central Municipal Assembly ana say odan constituency e na e twetwe nkomo tiwe ma ye ba ye to aso
Amafo, mi chiechia na mi busa se wo per fridge, deep freezers, ana ayonwa, ehe ena benya bie. ODI Electronics, mo oyiwa, nemo no, so bisa per microwave, or per blenders, or per gas cooker, ehe eno no so wankro. ODI Electronics, edem obi here kettle, TV, ana se rice cooker, misro, ehe ni wanko. ODI Electronics. Edem yo po. Afei, so obi pe washing machine ana bread toaster. Any mobile phone ni ho akadeɛ nso a. Ɛhin no benye bie. ODI Electronics. Oyiwa asempetia. Se wo pe nnwoma ebubu osu bie nyina to. Ani bo da form. Nemu akwanya na twa ne kakakra. Na afa wa de a. Ye delivery e de ko ba bia. Eye ODI Electronics. Ebusu say tam. Ennwoma papa bia wo pe. Say ye TV, rice cooker, washing machine, bread toaster, deep freezers, freezer, and I say iron, fridge, microwave, and I say bibi to say kettle, and a gas cooker. Nina ODI Electronics. Ememwenye be at a very affordable rate. Umokakra. And found baby awo. Do you hear me say? Uber friend was 0550 900 600 0550 900 600 ODI Electronics. Baby awo bia. Utuaka wepe. Ye delivery at the mouth. Open so ubetima be pick your product. Ewa hinkai 93.3 FM heya. ODI Electronics. Ye boy.
Malaria ya banana drew nabo tenate. Fix Herbal, the Fix Mala mixture. Wa boni pitu, wa boni bede. Na otu malaria se prekupe na aba. Se wuti yo wenumato. Wa powder nsisi wiye. Akwa asupiti ana akwa ye test ma wosi enya malaria. Ma malaria nzi unye bio. For Fix Mala mixture na obama wa pomuzin prekupe. Kwa drugstore ana pharmacy shop ne benya Fix Mala mixture ato. Na se pendudu etwa ko Fix Herbal wo adenta kantamansu. Ana fre 020-844-4442. 020-844-4442. Fix Mala mixture dri. Obi a wenyin san. Anorma bufraba enufu. Ana bufraba onzi mfidwe bien mfa. Fix Mala mixture. Enkratuyi FDA apenodo.
Jack, into bookshop or pass what town and I won't catch him.
Oh, Bloom's Bookshop and Trading Enterprise. Asemna Wuken. Say text books, exercise books, pen, pencil, eraser, adie bia e fa adisunya hono. Would we reach them Bloom's Bookshop and Trading Enterprise on Sabekabi. You will book no any free crutch, ecopim tertiary institutions in the Engina. And sorry, offices. And now we be bookshop kese and I will pay books in the Gumwa. Also call on one sa ebekabi kai. Nation so say ye turn in the doso pum sanso and I will pay back pa on sa ebetimiaka. Akim Odan supermarket ye ni GCB bank no and edi and share the moon. Freying was 0244-293632 and I say 0203-083031. Bloom's Bookshop and Trading Enterprise. Mark of excellence.
Ghana adisiye Obuoba ofore amanfo emamo ache edeba ahinkan 93.3 FM.
6 minutes after 9 yeda se mwajibre na mwatwen yen yamyakwa aba. Ye to so me pacho ye ni opani a ono na woba odan abato mpesua so a wo ye twetwofo de ma NPP amanyuku no. Yera Benjamin Kuku Baden ene ye no guso a ye twetwen enkomonti yera ye kono urezi issues about e-levy chirechire mu senti a Ghana for nyintum na yemfamra, but we are talking about a government enya fe no oba bem wa bem in the year 2021 mo budget wo hwe mo target na Ghana Revenue Authority de betu just say mo exceed mo target meaning COVID wo ho se de mo abobobo so no, but yet sika mo nsakan na wo soro den na mo de ye
bro adia ba kwa me person me twen wa dwen edisisu ne say we should also look at expenditure lines. Share the number of people you recruit into the government sector. You see, medical culture say budget lines, Sikebia you raise biano about 60% of our budget about 60% every foreign donors. And about 70% goes into financing salaries and then as for sisi ano ye pese ye fa nkofo adwuma sisi ame no wo ka say ye recruit newly trained teachers nurses are omo ewie adwuma first na nka imbribi atwem from 2011 up to 2017 na komu nyina atifie no sisi ame no ka say uwie na wo ye national service apa aban no recruit ɛhe ɛne yɛkɔ akɔfa saa sika ɛde etua saa nkɔfo yi n'aka aban no ɛkɔ so sɛ ɔbɛ recruiting nkɔfo into the public service so we must be very innovative ɛsi etimi enye sika ɛso so etimi ɛde fruity other projects yeah. The government is thinking of establishing one district, one factory across the entire country. Ebe fa ye nuanu mo omowie ejuma omowie school into some of these industries. Aban ni guso or recruiting nkofo into the public service. Inti we cannot say sika yenya eno den na yade ye. One kasa woti he oboba at the beginning of this year. Oshe usika unya ne last year any projections awaya ne this year untimi nka say sika unya ne last year no eno na ebe sustain for the year because of say opese we expand enema opese we sit down opese otoka opese we definitely your budget will go up and you must be very innovative find ways and means ubenya the said revenue no etimi dey finance enema wa project for the year so we share MPP aban ene niema ya metoto asre Ghana fo momye nkoso nya arehye mu e wo party no na minimu se nya de a his excellence Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo oni MPP aban ye bedi Ghana fo hwambo de biarada sika ye gye no oman ya na ye de ebebo eho bra ena na me ka no momye hwe number of students and as people omo ewura free SHS mu ni enhwe yɛmfa yɛ adwen kran kɔ hɔ yɛ yɛnhwɛ the amount of money ɛkɔ into free SHS yɛnhwɛ because of COVID you globally productivity akofom even Ghana has no yɛnim sɛ productivity akofom there were a lot of people no mo yɛ adwuma 8 hours because of COVID ebia yɛsɛ 4 hours the 2 days ofie yɛwen ne nyinaa na affect productivity nti sika ɛsɛ kɛ raise as a country no sɛ sika ne nyinaa no ɛso ate enti yɛbɛsrɛ e-levy sɛ yɛade bɔne a mengyin di sɛ ka his excellence Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ɔbɛyɛ sɛ kyenkyena ɔde bɛba onim sɛ ɛno ɛna ɛbɛtumi aboa ɔman no ne ayɛ self-reliant mede adeɛ baako pɛ na me toto ɛde srɛ akristofoɔ ɛne enua no musliminfoɔ sɛ momyɛnhwɛ ne yie yɛngye ɔman Ghana nsi hɔ yɛmbɔ yɛn ho bra yɛn make sure sɛ yɛbɛtumi raise enough funds yɛbɛtumi asɔ yɛn ankasa yɛase danse still and yɛbɛpushi aban ne sɛ yɛnkɔ foreign donors or yɛnkɔ foreign donors so at the end of the day it will be a bargaining LGBT na me so me fa say SK ma yɛhia sika de aba bɛbɔ ɔman no ho bra is that what we want the entire country to go into it
no ne formula foforo am
adapt but yes, you say Ghana, you push the agenda of Ghana beyond it. Ghana, yanka si ebe timi ejina ye ho so, edi ye ho so. Na nkoba se obi be gina chire be chinchim ye nsa. Momya mbo modern se ye be je 11 no atum. Na etimi ede abo oman no ho ba.
Okay, nti se ye ba no sika sem ne ho ntoto ye so a ye wo protocol bi a ye ka se there should be equity and fairness. Nti se opese o taxi obi a kakra no de ma wo no e wo so obu hu nkontama ne gitum so kakra ya me de ma wo yi o de akoye bibi papa ama eso abamfa so ama ye nyina na me ne wo kasa yi obo o my Ghana mu ahwese ne fuel ye to no wo hwe tax component e wo fuel so ene kra me no kasa kra cash flow a yenya from the oil revenue 2021 mu projected 30% nyame adom afini kwawie na shoot from 30% to 80%. So clearly sika enya di free hono mo no. Enka ebetimi di aboye ho bra. But mo anka sanka na mo de betu dwa se sika kakra enya di free oil sector hono ne ma ne nyina no. Mo di akosi ya wo akwaje bosia get fund the crama sa di akosi ya wo. Enti law no say there should be equity and fairness. Ya me de ma wo abebu nkonta ne tro kan. Ozo se me san ma obi nka
boba o ka se yebu nkonta ne troka me no enye adwen nkonta ne yembu ne troka
you tag that's who fear omo asem yan solve ye
you tagging sem no you see we should look at the genesis of you tagging sem so but say yes ye de adejawa ne de aso you tagging sem no and start wo efe ne say 2022 yeah. It dated back into 2013.
So
and yes sir aban no a relax here onye ho hwe. Omo demands omo de call ye no. Aban no efrase a all tackle no one by one. Mesre empempem so aye wo sisi a no. You see yentimi enka se ye chichire aban no insa egu nechi sa. Eniema pii wo honom a enye Ghana nko a eniema pii wo honom a enko yie globally. Me now for be omo UK and US. Recently na me ne ba ko di nkomo. Asama o ka che me ne se na najo magician. Na me see den ti na o kasa. O se baby o no ye adwuma. There was a cut in his monthly salary because of COVID a buy. Yenhwe sika ye pompe into COVID. Enti si ya kase amembo no anase ye sika sem ya ne basa. Oboba me no enyadu. And idea ba ko am pese ohun ne say if all things are still constant, holding everything in constant, say the year in the last year no sa pepe that's a measure na na year sign ejina so aye no afia. And obetima ka say sika ye nya na ebetimi de aboye ho bra. But mum yenhwe enema aban no introduce o pese oboa ema Ghana for ye ho etoyen e wa afi 2022 definitely you will need more money to foot and as a finance projects any programs are you pese introducing
more money ya nso na ebinim so kire o madwen say oh okay more money fine. Nancy and Auditor General so say 52.5 billion Ghana cedis ya transferred ya call known bank accounts. 52.5 billion ye bi wom compared to e-levy 6.7 billion. Yes, anya na fair no kra. Adi na mo pursue sa sika no. 52 enya sika ketwa o. Na mo nye no. Na nisuadi hunu fefe mo ka ho asem nka mo mfa nye. Na bepem na ye nte hwe. Kra say ayi Attorney General follow this case.
Oboba enye bibia na aban ede etudwa inti se otena ha ana menu mi ni etena ha e ka say
government your company so or fight here against corruption
oboba that is why aban buy no when introduce a friend is freedom a friend is a right to information bill. We have it there. Inti you as a journalist so what's on here you can officially write
no.
You can officially write to the Ministry of Information to find out say na Auditor General the atuja
na mo ye sure say mo ye political
political
party
there me person what you say
why be say be you to benefit I no hear journalist and some ba come
there me person what you say ne say aban no on tenance say Ghana sika ebenyu egu kwa ye tu ho anamon impendifo e tu ho anamon embrepemu no ubete eho ensem de meka efa eho eno no
impendifo bepem sabri a maami chief of staff class no our TB send na namon mframa but omo share that
oboba you need to investigate in some dey be ohonuma eya na just mere allegation
it is we are talking about institution Auditor General
oma ye auditing no all right omo de eho enkratasem akosum aban definitely aban so no ewo institutions a san niema no koto omonim a omo tena se ehwehwem etu eho anamon en America cho se embrepemu no de etuemu bia no menu mie no yebete eho asem
okay yebete ho asem. These are the words of a constituency secretary Yura Benjamin Kuku Beidin. Me pacho afi ye ba achimodan NPP achimodan NPP eya kono
papa
sa
eya kono
papa dia mu ye kwetu kwasi akwa eya kono
oboba de meka ene se for now Odan constituency we have only one constitutionally elected member of parliament and ono ene Honorable Alexander Akwesi-Akwa ono ena ye nyina no ye ejuma ede atai nechi because ono ena awesome constituency no ewo aban kese mu enti se constituency ne betumpon entumpon ejina ono so enti yen as party members no ye nyina na ye dan ono he is the only recognized member of parliament Inti minjin di se ebia so big na baby can be foforo a na ebia nipa no relationship be on the outgone and as a former member of parliament inti na ebia all can be bisa but ye ni kwetu akwesi akwa. For now, the only person who is recognized as our member of parliament, Honorable Alexander Kwesiakwa.
Nti mo MPP ni mu ya kono wa ha.
Me say ohwe ye bie ye register say to ho. Say omo ye party for embetro omudin. As constituency secretary, no more of course aminya ye. Edu baby kra na me ho kra ha me. Nkofo hwehwe baby a registers no ewo na omo akwa akotro omudin keke. Ti se party no enya akono a minjin de se nkofo ebe prese omo edi omo ho ebe baba be John Amanyoku no. Apart from that, a member of parliament Honorable Alexander Kwesiakwa, he's not doing bad at all. Ohwe initiatives are we free ase boa constituency ni pa. And I know can say meaning say my bon jingle and then for just Monday I will roll it out a whole 1 week free health screening all year. My friends in Central for no mundi actually no mon koshe and that me no can say omo zongo any to bottom ni na for o koshe nipa ye ba abo ha say o hwe nipa omo bo apene e ba so omo ba be hwehwe omo nipadue mu ene omo apomudin mu nsema beji di say the man is doing well na etwa say ye nyina no ye koyem koto adwani mu a ye bompa ye de time nechi na ye shenin crime say niam a all ye no obekoso aye amma constituency ni nyina afa na ntuma pa efra there are internal wranglings I mean if you bia no ye say a senator chema kra no ya eko me nka say you need 1 or 2 issues among ourselves but party no kono and call for pray sestela o mo bebem and call for pray calls aminya with regards to polling station with regards to omo pese omo praise omo beba polling station executives nena sefo I mean it shows that people are eager to come and serve and to come and work for the party. Say party ni nya kona minjin this enko for be press
me bisa sa because of nansenya ne jato ye market yimu ebi mo kire se ase mo de sika e ba ye wo senka de ko mankrofo a omo ho ka adwa mu no mo ache de amomamo party fo enti ama ebi mo bu afu pa
no kre
NPP as Amanyoku ejai ba ye no mo nso mo adwuma mo aye de afa ho ne sen
sa wo hwa eja no share market ne share no the entire constituency executives we rallied behind your member of parliament and the municipal chief executive ya toto mpenifo enkra said they ato achimodan krodu en into omunbo omuntwa omani embra mbehwe yen regional minister ne ministers of state oman penyin na nkasa ebo anane eba odan ebehwe odanfo enu echi no oman penyin sem ode tu dwa se obeboa ama edwadifo no omunya sika kakra asan de ahye omodwetwe mu no ye member of parliament Honorable Alexander Kwesiakwa etu hu anamon enye se yete hana na maslog for eba ise ye discano eba anase GA for eba ise omu discano eba MP no na etu hu anamon oni GA mpenifo kotena ase oni maslog mpenifo ekotena ase se dwumakuo mienu nyina so baaye no kwasem me ameye constituency secretary me man ko omu tables cry omu see ho omu de omu staff every enkran ni koforidia ebetena achem odan krodio mu ha edi juma omu take data ne whatever informations bia na eso omu hia enti sika no enye se ekodi MP insem ena MP efre oboba brabeji 200 we brabeji 100 we sika ne baaye no GA for ne ye ho adwuma wie ye no sika no ekodi GCB bank ensem pe omo details ni omo records a omo wo no omo enomo make allocation of money in the say call oboba based on wo assessment information out there ma ye bisa say bia enema ben na oton o say me ton toma wo total offense and revenue for the year and as a week in a saying sika he and I would ashim so assessment ni no mo yes anema ni based on that and omo eche sika no edema edwadifo minimpa se enye omo didwa ewo dan nyina enenya sika ne bi eso emu dodo pa no enye sika ne bi mi ankasa ebi ma omo enye sika ne bi ene me di ho nkomo me ka chiro omo se omo enko hu MP ena am se enamo no so ena GA for ne bai MP na ankasa so ama omo enye sika ne bi aso ate se sankofo ni nyina no omo form din embra oguso ni GA for no edi eho enkomo embrepemu no sankofo no so ebenye bi inti minjin this way ese ekofa wentwi ede eba yentem eye nipa su oboba me no ti hei se me no nyina edidwa na se bia sike bia aba na se wo wenya bi na se mimi nya bia definitely bedi ya okakra wo mu nche ye nipa su but enye se MP no we yi odanfo etotwene omo enye bi no kra no or to stress as ankofo ni na no mo san input yourself together na de ekofa kasakasa no ebai ene se Maslock for Emma obibia oko eso okoje Maslock sika no 2000 Ghana cedis because that was their threshold no muntime enter 2000 Ghana cedis and almost share say edin a eko friends say omo Maslock ni GA for no honum no. It was about 1,000, traders. Maslock for the survey 500. So it means as a GA for Naba, they were also to look at the 500 na akano. Na the copa and say, omo J Maslock 2,000. Ne bimu oma omo ejetre no eso esen omo ano omo apply for GA. And no enya MP form so. Because your my education no eto dwa say wo hwe
mi ntwa no ye ne victims ni bi kasaye enti bibisa omo sa de ya nkyerechiri mu ankyere mu na omo kan already so say ya nkyerechiri mu sa
ya no kre me sa da na me wo Praiseby asori dem hono impenifo omo ne adwadifo kasaye no omo te ase ese
oji Maslock de no a
omo te ase ese se wo hwe na se ujedie no ujetire no ekosropia nyabotre GA4 ebeba but you see on say na embre ne konyina no na nipa arehye mu na ewo se sika ne beba se emba no na ebem se ya akofom kakra enti we ni ba ye no bi mu epe entem ekokokoje so eno ene de sa ne ma ni na baba mesre omo aban no and as a party no we are there to serve them say omo ni hono ma yen ni ho omo enam so na MPP ewo aban mu sisi America say enti se bibi etochi ma omo mbo anani anaso omo mbra yen chen no mo ni yen betina se ni ehu kwan a ye befa so a ye betimi esi eho bra na nkoba se ye de nsemo to abonche no na man nkofo dwen se wentwi anaza asumdwe any party no but asumdwe or party no
okay into the long and short of sa issue we nyina no yenim se mo ya amanyuku enti ne ebesi bia no sunsunsanso no mo ho na eba se nkrofo mo ho be ye omo hi ana mo beje mo atumato abama mo enti mo asamanyuku no omo genuinely omo express concern so omo anya bi amagia tum ne de na mo ya aboa wo
na me de kan catch us MP ene ebi mu Asia. In fact, one of the meetings I happened to be there. I was there. MP Gusua washese omo quality data. It was nkofo no omo enya genuinely omo enya sikani bin na no omo so omo nya Maslock 2000 naka ohwa omo dwetire no ohwa e wo soro pa no sanko ni na ye ano baba e so sika no enye ono sika eye aban sika nti se ye hye ne nkran ne ye hye ne den hu so wo echiginafo a eno hu kwan a ofa so ene GA fo mpanifo yakwa kasa sisi ame no ka say yen MP has become an ambassador of e-levy. It definitely is a Ghana for e-levy atumu a na medical ka say quantum of the funds will be sent to GA na meji this MP ko no ni GA mpanifo akwa kasa say mesra mo mbra be boa achimodanfo a ska na ebeba na yenuanom a omo enye bi no omo so ekoma atom yem no omo enye bi etimi edi djuma
arehemu a wode ma omo ne se omo enya abotre omo nsa be kan sika ni bi
omo nya abotre se omo ede omudin ama the appropriate bodies omo call late because obi o ha wenye bi obi aba culture say menye bi nti sankofo ni na at the end of the day no ye be proper screening and na say for ni ahwe genuinely omo enye bi no and that is what MP Amamate say say sankofo no obetu eho anamo no ahwe say embrepem omo so omo sabe kan
okay nti ye ne constituency secretary de ma achim da NPP na egusu ahwehwe nkomo ni ra Baden Benjamin Kuku Baden and ye negusu ayehwehwe nkomo wa ha me pa chaw ye ba be switching nkomo no de afa NPP wo mo internal elections no ho sisi but before ye be sa no ma men kanfo Soboti emfa ema Soboti boy yen pa boosti yen immune system no nti se won saka Soboti ni bia be boa ama wo ankasa ubedi adanse e niam ahodo a ye de aye ye de eye akakadru hwentia pepre abrobe na meko na ye de edi afrade aye Soboti no ase unya bi na obobo a immune system no benya ahoden na timi ako de atia yare bia ebesore ewo ne so nti ya na wa hye ne so de amame Soboti amansan nyina agye atum edi ho adanse ade nti mu amwo achim odan emiaye ya mebebubu din nyina ya de se ukọ no mu a wonsa ebeka bi nti achim dan ukọ antiadwa wo Roman Our Lady of Fatima ukọ sampotem ho no mu nyina ya de se onsa ebeka bi wantiadwa ho mu amo eba odan finfin mu ho no mu no Monko Frimpong Enterprise ebi wo ho anase moko Obaya Enterprise ya wono so wa achim dan onsa beka bi aboabofo be call Mary Nkrumah Enterprise anase moba henka na FM a monsa ebetumi aka Soboti no ebi amansan agya tum sanse eboapa a boost immune system no eya no afre 0551 119620 0551119620 na 0244087695 and number be free ODI Electronics SA a TV fridge deep freezer gas cooker blender kettle washing machine and I say iron and opa ODI Electronics etunton ni nyina ebi aninti oba onsa be kan bi kama no an so bi simu pampa ba hin kan FM ha ni obeto no kan onsa ebeka se usika no nson ye ena still a opa still oba kakra no ekura no ebeji ato no watua ne kakra wia no abefo wade efre 0550900600 0550900600 ofra enkomo no ne aka bia no eyade se yebehwe na yedi ewo ekire ho no mo abusuafo minim se ubesi dan entesa thank you dan so de ubesi a na ubehia cement na udi ebesi dan cement nso a ubehia ne de nia adasan nyina age atumu anansan omudi ho adanse Unisem Cement Ghana Limited womo ada Roma omudi bia ba chim odan ne mpotem ha no nti okọ Samche Enterprise no wachim odan Amantra Wachi Junction new story building no mabesi wo hono no any Dukes filling station na edi enhwe animu ose yen kan che osese wo ye mason na udi obi ba no beto cement bags no be se 50 a o wa chede kama ode ebe ma na cement ri omu ahodo bebre nti wo kwa kosi dan a obekirekire mu kama edi akire o ebia me ba besi dan mi betwa blocks ana me beto wall na ya kire wo cement kura ebehia ho na wetimi de adi ujuma frɛ 0243 583190 58 3190 ofre saa number no ankomo aka bia no eyade se Samche Enterprise mpanimfo a omo Mantra Wache Junction New Story Building omo ne no na edinhwe ne mu Dukes Filling Station enkomo no ne aka bia no betumi aka bomu edi ne kama ewo ho no mu edi amayen enwumaku ya daroma na anopai wo mo afa yenwumadi ho ka yegusua edi ema mo ye ne constituency secretary de ma NPP Yura Baden Kuku Benjamin anase Benjamin Kuku Baden ene ne no twetwe enkomo ewo fie ha eno mu ntafe ye ba NPP omo internal elections no eso nyankopon ya adom a efiri memene da eko ena empanifo ahye se internal elections from a year polling station at the core electoral area kwa kukusi a year national about one year shasi efiri hono mu atore kakran adinti Yura Baden se me ye NPP ni ba na me pese me ba be gina bia enhye ne senate
yo mini oboba yeba MPP internal elections eso yi mejina akwenyen eso na media to just say fortunately for Achimodan constituency ye ni obibia owo suspension ye ni obibia na nkofo etai ebisame coordinators are yebeto a year constituency parliamentary primaries ye suspended omo no ye to primaries ni wie ya na ye reinstate omo ntisa coordinators ni na no omo ni suspension ye nua baba ko mama ayensu no ye polling station woman organizer ewo residential Ridge A imprimpra me no ka say oni suspension sa nkofoni na maka omo ho asemi omo akwanya say on the 19th you free your internal fencing elections preparation na say omo betimi ababa befa krata say omo so baba be pray MPP positions in the
okay.
And the good news is that Odna constituency obia ni suspension yeni an mo call yin na ya sanjo ma wa to enam say wo hwe dwumaden a omo ebo editai party na chi a ye do ma se was akwanya na omo etu ye no
okay
na say na enhihye no ete party mpenifo ahye se afi abato internal elections first nanka one of the criteria for someone to qualify to become a polling station executive and is the person must be a dues payer.
Otia
as a dues party not less than 2 years with good standing. You can good standing and just say onjijantum not less than 2 years. But in prime no more kasi. Party in Shishemu no ye saa nhihye no e dey free no na campaign pi na sinkofo pi kwan a omuntimi ohum se or some party pa or ye party juma eso enam se ni dues chia no enkon kan nti no na ye gina so se untimi en qualify nti prempra me no ka say se wetua wo dues se wontua wo dues de ye hwehwa ne se nipa no or ye party ni mapa no down chrome has obi bia oye MPP ni mapa ode ne ho ehye party ejumedie mu ode ne ho hye party nkita hodie mu no party for yenim no inti on the 19th to 21st and the year opening and closure of nomination inti so person pick a form ebe contest as polling station executive ye be bie ye pon de ato ho no 19th ye memende ne kwesiada ne joada na so bia opese o contest as polling station executive bia no wa peke ne nkrata afele ne fefefe de aba imprimpri am no ka say forms nomination forms no embedru constituency bia nye odanko a across the 275 constituencies me wa arehemu say ende enyumbre ana ze imprimpri ochina yensa ebeka forms no na the elections committee no etimi atena ase edi omonkita hodi enhyehyɛ mpanifo de aba so ne sɛ ye close nomination 21st 22nd to 24th ye betena ase na yaye the protocol ye kan say vetting ye be pese ye be hu say susu ampa oboba aye crowd so person contest polling station executive polling station A susu ampa party for a omo ho no no omo ni oboba susu ampa enkoba say oboba waye no ho katamu diabroni bi aso wo PPP aso wo NDC aso wo CPP na opese o sheda de ne ho enti committee ne betena se aye saa impensen mu nyina ye wie 22nd to 24th na fe enuanom a committee na gi atum se enuanom ye hwehwe omonkrata semu no susu ampa no omudi mu so omo betimi aba begina as polling station executives na ye de omo aba the various polling stations na ho no obi bia wo party nhihye mu no obi bia o ye party ni mapa a wodin ewo yen register ni mu party no sheda ema yembre se obi o ye party ni bia na nhwe se obetro ni din ewo yen party registers
okay
nti ye ba polling station ho no ma omo din ewo party register ni mu no omo ena omo beto santen ato aba nti so obo na ejina sa nkofo no ena be ba beto aba ba wo party nhihye mu no so no party this ye ne empese ye be ye bibia e de basabasa ye ebeba bia na me Benjamin Kukubeidin me to aba wo polling station A obie nem se me ye MPP ni mapa eso ye tro edin wo register me na bia dwumedie bi nti na meni aha sisi amaba se me bedru ho na se me din any register ni mu a metimi ato aba ni bia na se me ntimi to wo party nhihye mu no se oboba ene ni nua ba ko omu nyina ye nim so mo ye MPP4 etimi begina ho se oh ye nim Kukubeidin pa ye ne no ene ye MPP adwuma e wo browning so eniema ye ko nyina ye ne na ye ehu no impenifo ye hwe abato no so no e wo ho kwan se omo bemma saa nipa no e kwan no no so atobi the din ni register no mu de me de saa niema we tudwa na enkoba se ebedru abonte ni ye ne saa
yesenkrofo bi se ma yantu
saa niema ni na ye behwe na yesi eno eho kwan
I see
forms no 10 Ghana cedis
okay
na nyame ya aduma se de medical kan forms no embai embedru ye forms no 10 Ghana cedis ebedru a ye be ma obibia so ate afin penifo ahye se ma me yensi obibia kwan se o pe so person some party na yemma ososo kwan oba na se impenifo no ekasa na ye hu se bia impempen o time enso ye enti koso na some party na boa ni na no kwan ya because we need to galvanize your grassroots in your support base se susu ampa no ye pese break the 8 etwase yetimi enya united front eni kwan se ye dem papa mu ebia eba na yetimi ede echo the election 2024 enti we ne hyehyɛ ya ye de atudwa ye wie polling station na so 25th to 5th of March
okay
and you best start the polling station elections 19th to 21st for instance picking and closure opening and closure of nominations then 22nd to 24th vetting of aspirants then 25th to 5th of March and you better polling station elections
okay
we are electoral area coordinators you better almost so aba from the 22nd to 24th March and to be in March
okay
we are no na afei ye be nomination na the the constituency no in penifo ahye say 22nd to 24th of April
okay
and no you be choose each constituency may choose a day within the 22nd and 24th no okay. They be organize it constituency.
Enti yenhwe polling stations dodo sen na we constituency mu a vacant positions abere da ho.
You were 92 polling stations. Polling stations.
And officers and also I'm sure anyone saying each polling station be
each polling station be near Nipa 5. So it means that you baba beto aba and I say you baba conduct a new polling station executives 460. 460.
Hey. I see. Enti to say be I am fan say yaba abo polling station A ho no chairman
into polling station be and there were 5 executives.
Okay.
There were polling station chairman, polling station secretary, polling station organizer, polling station woman organizer, then polling station youth organizer.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Into that constituency, as I speak to you now, there were 92 polling stations and there were 18 electoral areas.
Oh, okay. 18 electoral areas. All right. Enti ma yam fan crofo adwen kire kakran fan ka ho na fe wi a questions na aka ne san bi se bisa emfa entoa so. We edit the message di abatenten na o che se NDC di akọ IMF ene omanya ano keka economic ne ho enkuntabu. O che se kwa omde akọ IMF no no mo person mo che se omutie wu enti omunim se ne etotu sikasem IMF fo me kire om se ne etotu sikasem ene omo kro no a san kire se omutie wu nti MPP fo so nyintum so omusu tie wu no mo kọ IMF omo nko ne nko ne kina ade se 11 no ena ye nyina de ani to so se nyame moa yen na yentimenyenchi ankoma honorable Biden ena aseden okay honorable Biden eni adwuma pa wo ye we every prof ho odan ena odi message di free eba ye yemfa other messages aba e wo WhatsApp ne normal SMS ne to aso ye wi a ye be ma tie fo ne kwan no mo so aba mu bi we say abozage in fact ka kire secretary no ka kire ni pain si wonyo no kwafo kra wonka no kre oba odan ha no mo a asumdwe ni MPP ni mu nne asumdwe ni mu china also wonte ase a ka kire ni pain si e from a bad man me ena maka sa asem no yate ena wenzo sesen Ghana for moma yenkoso a na yenya gidie ewo omai Ghana yen franka no emu na yensanya gidie se union movement Ghana union movement gum omo pe no beye se Romeo di odi free achimu enchi de ba ye no o che se MPP ni NDC omo nyina edi Ghana hwammo eni tim bi enya gidie ewo eye wo mo emu we say good morning na Henkan FM etiefu nyina me chiachia mo na o che se nia why bi dan edi gina kire mponso eni nti obi bia wa bɔ ne ho modern no e wo se ye san edi bi ka ne ho na otoa ne dwumadie so eni nti ono de o ka kire delegate on beto aba wa chimodan nyina se Yewura Benjamin Kuku Biden ebre ne so na se wo ba secretary no monsan ento emfa emano ye friend no Bishop Orifri Achim Asanteman Chips ena ba ye enti we messages kakra edoso ne aka no wa ha but my matiefo no so kwan na omumra mu bi na questions bi omo person mu bi se bisa Yewura yi omo enti me bi sampa 0201 94445 and 0554 8209110. Me pacho udini baby akase free.
Hello.
Udini baby akase free wadaroma.
Hello Boba, ya Liverpool ni me kase free odan.
Liverpool yentie o.
Yo Boba no pe beda mase. Amadan kan for nso ase se eja modi penny secretary chema Kuku Bedi modi na aba be cheche nsemu about polling station elections no. Na imagine mukisene ba no pe ba o chichi mi ba bi imagine pa mama te any polling stations no about one mama te ase the way o chichi mi mama te ase go na mi na mara mi sebisa se brebe na form so ba brebe na about one be ba so brebe na e be convert ni ade ya no pe ba chichi mo na butra chichi ni ne mama no so mate ase ama me no hu ba bia be wa ko pick me form se bra form so be ba me na ase na yembum gazu communicators yes, yeah, pese ye badman yen so be some party no. Yes, no dey na ba penny for chairman secretary mo ye dia boy grassroots communicators. Say be ya yen so with me nya kwa abemu bi abe some party no. to we am pancho on fire on so now some and to get my grassroots communities.
Okay. Yeah, that's it bebre nti ono so ne dia ode enam eno no me pa cho nso betumi aba na question bi a obi bisa opani na ode anu ye dia ma udin any baby akasa fi wada Roma.
Oboba ajada akasa fi Roma.
Ajada nso yeti o.
Oboba as the chairman of akasa bebre.
Oh yeah, secretary no MPP secretary. Oda wakasa ayade acheche nyomo mpa na emo no kasa na wakana bebre ho hand press baba radio no ba underground enye MPP ba no enye kura woda ezo hwa MPP ba pa we o tinye de pa bia o le papa bia di we border because ekure ni ha ikene ntrenkwa ba me kasa no ante agbe me de danzu onime apia di ni ya ko so party enye esana omututu nyama yi na de ta yile bi na o ka ho asem no yile bi no kreni akwa ni se woni wo papa na wo papa ka se yewi chinchin esa we but ono anka se o to arukwa on jintu ono yile no on jintu to apia ni se ba kura ono kura bo ba mo de ko ye bi da edima be na me nkwa ye na wenye menye ska pasani obina what is this kanu ezimo mbwa na yenye edima oda ye edima bi eni oda yile bi. Yeah, that's bebre. Udini baby akasa free. Hello. Oh, sorry. Udini baby akasa free.
E fam ke blako.
Yes, I hear you.
Atim aboabo. Yo tia secretary na me aye oso for ke blako aboabo na pay da wase secretary to abatran na wa cheche 11 no mo ade amai. This ka kam bi kan say e be se Ghana for pay pamucho. O de omiehwe kufuado. So the local IMF name and this for no among who say IMF and the Kufuado so are 50% IMF yanko and don't put some paper papa hand papa na papa no at the corner snack as a yanka. If I'm to name you school that but we will be equal secondary school separate education my now me call the 1,000 to 12 million a coin a course could cherry that can and then now our phone but says after keep business. So you let the whole nation what you check free education. Free education. We can say your resources no. Mra and this for kufuo kaso de oil ba mo say adwo. And now krona sabajala say your oil. Omo na do oil no asia wo wa. So that am do oil na asia wo wa. At the end is for the show we end is for the oil on man bofo papa seka even ka motimu de madwaba.
Okay, that's ya brano esua kafra nkrato na nkasa ne de ye ochena eno na mutumi free bibre na yese wo asem bia bisa udi ni bia okasa free.
Hello
sister say wani ana ab
ni free akosia
mami ebi etie o
yo mami chia wa no free ani keke ko ni na no free me come asem so a MPP no me di ni hu yi papa eye o mo nka no kre kakra I don't MPP for more entrusting. Hey, you need Ghana, and I'm over promising Ghana for some to my 1 district, 1 factory away. Get taxes to the reform with the Pisano, we and St. Antonio with the 2 and the Pisano taxes now. On it or my penny and now, almost the then on the day. Cristiano so mobile then on the day. The Pisano say, Ghana, you will play what had it. And we get you play no their mom and penny for and what the seeker at the high play Gary will be. Omatonofo. Ya sora na sofu bia sore nko don mama onye don mama na ebu man ni. MPP for anka so mu efuto mu nto man pani na nado efo. I levi wa page mama obi. Ana oba be trese tutubutum. Ya yembre nyenye sika. Ye fama mu na mu foto ke ka kese. Enfam trese ni amu pe na mu di Ghana sika ye. Ye wo bibie bi koko.
Mama ebi ma ye na sinyame adom a wo kina na wa beto aso ma yen pacho odi ni be kasa free. Lower radio set no ye monko mo why.
Hello.
Me pacho lower radio set no tisa me UFI so.
Hello.
Me pacho say free.
Mr. Free Achemoda Uta.
Udin
Bedman
there be waba bi mana.
There be me ma fa na ma ba.
Ah okay, wo message mu na me kan enti o.
Yo, ana pe mami chia etiefo. Na me pese mi bisa say that 11 no amoji atumu no na awo gold no mkotu gold o mbe chama ye na ye disika na to mobile money no ma tie fuso ana
me ma dwen kyerɛ kakra me pesa me kyerɛ pa
yo yate nyame nka wo so ho bedman udini baby akasa free hello Dabi udini baby akasa free
hello
e ba to lower radio set no ma me why
yo
ajabo so mpem ni e
pa cho an
yentie we
yo anope maminchia the constituency secretary Kuku Ben anope wa chese niemam ama ya chi asia sabi o man bi ni ho a yemfa tax enye de NCC o man nya yebekwa ye ho beto ye ni ade no na mo ye be stress ye o grounds no ye titi grounds for na ya na bi nti asia ebi se ne bo den do nti ese omo kiso neba from ne ade ne ene omo kasa nti ese omo nso ye mpani ko omo di ani omo nso kwa omo nso ya o grounds no se ne ye ne amanfo na voting voters no e kasa no ne se ne omo kire omo adwen no omo nso obi kwa tumi kase ono de ne ka bu ye fence ye twanu na nka ye fence toll no tax no esa bank enu mu ko mo pe esin se we ni beba nti no sese no yenso nia ya e wo grounds no nia ya na yenso amanfo ke ka kire ya yenso ye ti o ma dwenji o ma dwen kire no ebi na ne dia atu gwe nti no mesre se ono nso ya okwa no waka bi
yate yeda se bebre ene de ebri ni ho udi ni baba kasa free
hello
yes madam
how the time
nyame adomo udi ni baba kasa free
because ka chimoda eseme eni na mema MPP secretary official pamana ejuma pan ni ade a hoye
yo
I mean bisane say na mo kanu police station executive no be ya enko yen sane first omo ye ya nipa bia esem ku ye juma ni abua no mi nyoma se mi hye mu no mo yi pampa mu nipa no de befo ba mu no enko yen ti so mu tie ti don tie ni ye na omo hwe se obi ebetia ye na se kuma pam na me ye se e be beki ATH no atia ye juma na eno na babua na anya sa because nipa bi sa na TV so esa so any information so e kan se
yate yeda se odi nkyeremu bema ho mi ba cho wo na wotwa to kra odi ne ba bia kasa free
me pa cho ya fene ma ne ha na me kasa fi asemoda me pa cho ya ndo na kasa no ka edumfo sika ne ho asem kaka na mpesa me kaka wo se o na boni ye be kasa no ka so wo je 20 a wonti ne nyi biem ye kasa mi bisa me bra ne se na wo no na boni be kasa wo na boni kasa wo ne wo tuma ne be kasa wo kasa na nse zo mu kasa wo kasa na mo kan
yate ya na won so anya abotre kakra okay ti mu amofra ne yesere mo ekira ye ya woda ekina mu wo 30 minutes asem bi apese o kan bi abetumi aka ene de yesere mo yedisi ha yero akuku
ya boba
o chiam you untumi na asem kan some de wati bia
matibi that is the beauty of democracy yenu anu mu bi nsem o mo kan ye no ni na yetie wo asopemu o hwe the first test already I know kasa se mpapemu ewo MPP mu you see medical kan say a senator chemakra na duru baby a omokontokwa me nka say all is rosy in the party or down constituency but the real perception am for was a party no mpapemu wo mu no enye no kresa wan kasa na wo hobby time I am papa Cobra Bimpon ye dino ne na watcheda you saw how the constituency executives the municipal chief executive MP ye ka ye hu bo mu eye ejuma e de boa se enyonyam hye ebeba party no obia wo beebi a negidie ewo abatu aye ba betui me expect say nipa 460 ni na no ebeba beka se omugina me secretary mechi definitely ebia obi eneme beba be prayer and am so no so no some party ntino ebi mo so be kwa akodi nechi eno ne koba se eno nkyere se ye atamfo ana se bibisa eno ne na me stress so mu hu bibisa na eno nkyere se party no mpapemu ewo mu yɛbɛbɔ yɛn ho mmɔden as constituency executives yɛbɛbɔ yɛn ho mmɔden as party faithfuls na yɛayere yɛn ho sɛ yɛbɛka yɛn ho abɔ mu ɛnam sɛ yɛn nyinaa no MPP amanyɔkuo no ɛna yɛsom no at the end of the day yɛn ultimate aim ne sɛ yɛbɛbreki 8 no for the polling station elections medical ka sɛ yɛwɔ 92 polling stations ne yɛn nua bi ka sɛ yɛn nkɔfa kwati kwan so nkɔyi nkɔfo mfiri mu ne nasefo nhyehyɛeɛ a yɛde ato dwa ne sɛ de bɛyɛ prepare yɛ ɛbɛyɛ adwuma nti na fi ɛyɛ elections committee no ɛyɛ abadwoko ɛyɛ nipa nkron 9 fortunately the chairman of the elections committee no ɛbɛyɛ regional representative yɛwɔ all class of persons in the party omo yɛ represented yɛwɔ council of elders yɛwɔ patrons yɛwɔ one elderly woman constituency executives ɛwɔ nti yɛn nyinaa yɛbɛhwɛ sɛ pɛpɛ yɛbɛyɛ adwuma na ɔmo a ɔmo wɔ pɛ so ɔmo de bɛyɛ party adwuma no saa nkɔfoɔ no nyinaa ne aboɔ ɔmo nyinaa no na ɔmo etimi aba abɛsom party yɛn nua Liverpool na ɔbisa ɛyɛ grassroots communicators ɔmo bɔ adwuma paa ɛnam sɛ communication the only aspect of the party structure omo ye adwuma all round from there you beto aba kopem se you be san to aba the next day inti ye bom aba so adwumade a omaye so omo pese omo ba polling station munmu a omo guso omo some party dada but some person be polling station executives embre ne so a omo wa ho akwanya so omo so be ba fa krata na yedi adwuma omo go through process ni na wie na party in 4 polling station for yin na agituma they will be accredited as polling station executives na me de me somewhere ba ewie no me nim say me de adwumadi ba ewie as constituency secretary for now but me sign ama amanfo ati say nyame ya adoma ye bie ekwan ne to ho a mesan akọ as constituency secretary
so officially no we
declare first ahenkan FM na medda me constituency research and elections I say Mr. Bernard Kingsley Kwedri in fact me no enya very wonderful working relationship asoma me some party na no na join training na kwan kire wa boa me e wo niam pii ho meda na sepa na afi so no mada omo a time e chinyina so ase e ma dwumedi a medi ye e de some party no ye kra behwe mechia ye municipal chief executive mechia ye member of parliament na afi so mechia menua be ma Erondonko nyame e ya adoma ono so e kɔ ye region na mechia ahenkan etiefo nyina meda me communications these are 2 wings omoye adwuma under me ye communications Sasa Kurata and our research and elections ye Kingsley Kwedri omo nyina they were working under me omo ye mpenifo sen me de so nkita ho ayedi and ye wonderful me dinchia ema party fo nyina me close pa Castro and me busuanfo me papa Samuel Ochibedin ote TZ or Michia Omunya.
Okay, yanso yeda si bebre nti abusuya ahaya nso ne yede yankomo hwehwe ni na de besi ye ne constituency secretary edema NPP amanyuku ewo achim odan abato mpesua so ena anopei yahwehwe enkomo ahaya de yede nkomo hwehwe ni nyina edi AC ne asori so amanyumadi ahodo aka no so etimi abeto so yemfa seda enkomo odi ankan kwa me yebo adwempa hini Kofi Mensa Kobi K ena Kwame Asante wo frɛ me obowo ba ofori amanfo nyame ya adom a ɔkyena yebɛhyia kyena ya woda yɛbɛto nkra ɛne nti ya no akyɛ ne nso hwɛ ho si ne yesu ba mu a otumi enyini kyɛ ne yakɔyie bo yaba so ne yankɔyie nso twenya adwensi so tiase to err is human to forgive is divine akosua adepa dumas
abusuafo anopa nondu abapa osima no baako memo bibia kyen asanso mamakwa babiom de ba henkan 93.3 FM so ebra so se nsema hodo a abeto dwa na yede be som awia premtodre ne anwumre no nsia kan kasebo no mede be som se kasebo tewmidin ede akosua adepa dumas ene woyen kasebo emu no abeto dwa se eye owura Kwasi Pratt wode atodwa wo che se ye won tell posifo ase korasan se wo mota che manfo anwumre anasa na wotwe wie no mo de mo akotwiri mu a eno ready atudwa wacha say wonte aposifo asenti de wo mo ye no wonu mo enya sanso director of election de ma MPP amanyo kono e de atudwa wacha say court na hye say asen not mrahye badwani no say no wonye mrahye badwani biem kase bomo obetimu enchiremu na edma abronye DC wodi atudwa wacha say wono say no waye yiredi papa twen court ntide court be ye bia no wonfa ho wo ye awia prontobre ena nwumre no nsia kan kase no wobetimu nchiremu wo mo ebua kwa not MC aban krache wo ho edi atudwa wo chese no Koko Research Institute we ebua kwa no wono mo aye koko aduro bi afiri mu a no etimi sa diabetes yade enti ye na wache waso pa na Sam George so di atudwa wo chese o se national security no wono mo dane kidnappers so ena wo mo kidnap manfo na ononyamfo suma na gbagben wono ye piempani wo mrase badwafie wo di atudwa wo chese wono no ena penso on peso wo de ne ho be fole sika some judgment debt ne ade on peso wo de ne ho be fole entie ne wa tax finance minister pa se won koso no won hwem enya adwuma ese na efata sanso eye conference of head of assistants wo de atudwa ya wo cheso enei aduane ho ayede papa wo senior high school sahodo a wo oman yi emwo na yebekwa kohwe achimachiase adehye won mo achiase lab wo mo cheso forest na wo hono nipa bonfo bi abo awuramu a won mo atake wo mo enti yebekwa na yakohwe se de nyema no esi ekọ wo hono na ningo pram na sebadwane di atodwa ena wo ka kire NDC MPs ne se o won mo no enya de a NDC MPs no won mo agi 11 atum se de ne nam abefu ntinta no so ene eye baabia wo mo chese minority wo eye mrase badwafie no won mo agi 11 de atum chese nukura bia enim ensem wei ena awie ye de baba so mo na fa nwumre no nsia kan kase no so beti bi ewo mo midin ede akosua adepa dumas me so na kwabena costi atwaso.
You see, there are men who